mienu yatnasia kwa ebretwe mu yade nsem awdo no ebeso mu on Sompa 98.9 FM Sports Bet no eso Adea Akye Abia no so ene age mmerenu bia yade ema omidin ene akwasi atachumbarima pa clef mene
opoku Shiva. And upon 10 times when you come on it, now for Enra Monday Night Football, Yako resource Enra, it's me a PM say, and a resource no, is yet Enra, who call Italia, Italian Serie A, the Calcio League, no, Enra matches in the B, and sweat me to jar, na Enya Semketokra, Hellas Verona, Etnafie, and Udinese Calcio, Eddie Buenia, 90 minutes corner, we are no, na Hellas Verona, Ashabako, Ama Udinese Calcio, Akoshe, Academy Noa, Udine, Equa winning 2-1 na enya semketokra elsewhere odwani chirem enso ewo Spain nso a game bako enso etimi ato form ewo Spain a enro a hyene sumame se Rayo Vallecano enro mo ne Elche ena de boy ne game rekọ na wie no na Rayo Vallecano ahyemie no ama Elche ate ekan bako Elche ena to twede kan ena Rayo Vallecano ebete ka 90 minutes plus 5 a Brandted din enso ene Lopez 9 ebo winning goal edma Rayo Vallecano enra 3 points ni na omoje enso edeka fie
yendeni enkopiem enso na yeva Manchester na emawa Leicester City enso etina fie en Nottingham Forest edibani ema Leicester City etontena ne makomako enai Nottingham Forest entimi ansi emu adabraka anope de chire ediama on Sompa 98.9 FM journey on Facebook Sompa FM on Facebook and UEFA Champions League is back na UEFA Champions League ababaka dia say enebesi akọ ene
exactly 4:45 p.m. games maku mienu ena etodwa na 4:45 matches no say ene besiako oko Allianz Arena e the Bavaria capital Bayern Munich etna fie no mo ne Victoria Plaza e de apem so referee ene Nikola Dabanovic ono Efre Montenegro on ya pan se omra na femra dunso he football so no ene Bayern ene Victoria Plaza 4:45 ofa emrano emeye juma
4:45 na nyam group on ya doma game back one no ebeten Orange Velodrome no Olympic Marseille and Sporting Lisbon and edi ebeponi David Massa wano ofi Italy one bejina referee bejina fifi and so ato Irem
about 7 p.m. matches no ebe 12 na 7 p.m. matches no and then you know Anfield Liverpool Mountains no you never walk alone Liverpool etnafie no money Rangers at their pem so French referee and the any Clement Turpin and a coaching game no kama pa
sir and so and a game back one betting Johan Cruyff Arena Ajax Amsterdam and Napoli and at the ebeponi François Lastia of France one so and bejina fifi ato Irem was a game no more
Estadio do Dragao Portugal FC Porto and so betna fie no money buy 04 Leverkusen at the apem so 7 p.m. English referee and the any Anthony Taylor and Japan so ko the game no kama pa
anu echi Club Brugge ebetna fie Jean Bradel Stadion na oni Atletico Madrid and so at the apani anu Romanian referee Isvan Ajakovac and ebetna fifi ato Irem
Estadio Giuseppe Meazza adodo friend San Siro and then you 7 p.m. no Inter Milan etna fie no money FC Barcelona at the apem so Slovenia ni di shendi and Slavko Vincic ono Efrome and the and Slovenia on the UEFA Pana Center referee and Inter and Barcelona game no ono so ekohenso kama pa
Deutsche Bank Park no Eintracht Frankfurt and Tottenham Hotspur and at the ebeponi referee Daniel Osato of Italy and on Subetna Fifi ato Irem exactly 7 p.m. and a UEFA Champions League match out one nyina ekwaso ade on some down on Sompa 98.9 FM so
Oko Group A after 2 matches no Napoli edikan omo ewo 6 points Liverpool etosumie no ewo 3 points Ajax etosumiensa ewo 3 points and a Rangers etwa to omo so any point bia
sa and so and a Group B no so emu ayaten Club Brugge every edikan ewo 6 points Bayer Leverkusen ewo 3 points and Atletico Madrid and so ewo 3 points and FC Porto ewia no mo we omo wo hwe 0 edegitomo
Oko Group C ni so Bayern Munich after 2 games no omo ewo 6 points Barcelona etosumie no ewo 3 Inter Milan etosumiensa ewo 3 and a Victoria Pleasant etwa to omo so any point bia
sa and so and a Group D I know mujina musa kind of Sporting Lisbon Ewo 6, Tottenham Hotspur Ewo 3, Eintracht Frankfurt Ewo 3, and Olympic Marseille baby adune dia yawe and namusa.
After 2 games no share sumame Robert Lewandowski Osiaka Edema Barcelona wa bought 3 goals. Erling Haaland Ewo Manchester City wa bought 3 goals. Kylian Mbappe and so Ewo PSG also about 3 goals. Jude Bellingham ashishe tutua almost at the total and a Champions League. Adea come on on Sompa 98.9 FM. Yeah, there chere kama and sweat me Adea.
There is some kitten no El Crofaman so at 12 Syria Inter Milan coach Simon Inzaghi says dia baby no papa no jet couldn't chempa papa Ninjan say UEFA Champions League game Inter Milan and Barcelona Ebabano and Perifa catch papa say some pen to pen no idea omo no mo de na wani kunim na so atimi ni kunim against Barcelona dia na ne kwa and obasia kwarinchi esansa sanim guasia akwaso Inter Milan no ensem fatomo etisa kobasa papa ni lusu against Barcelona dia na ne Simon Inzaghi and Perifo chiremu a ombe bone na si to say pay
ya kwa riba de bobo kona so ya mu head coach Carlo Ancelotti enra Carlo Ancelotti Israel Central for ne ebisa Carlo Ancelotti se papa na wankasa o future riba de bobo kono saying Carlo Ancelotti echrema ni future Real Madrid no on the also who the future in the future Real Madrid only this season Real Madrid next season Real Madrid and now for catch Abia say again Real Madrid and for one more time Real Madrid after I don't know and number who near ma but be Edin Becca cuz them for now in the future now no Real Madrid bobo kono
Antonio Conte and so training Edma Tottenham Hotspur bobo kono na papa echiremu padia se ne Messi kona manfo abonachi se na no watena ama Arsenal ache no atwa ne kamiensa amwatimu baako eno papa ni chiremu padia dodo na wakasa no wonya nia wakeka no esanso no what football onim football eno timi chire football etisa kobasa bia dabi niema ankoye amfomo no Antonio Conte ene eye Tottenham bobo kono enteso onim na djuma etimpanifo wakeka sa no mkomo anu tum na eboboro na wonimu eno nim chire yie pa weni semu Antonio Conte wonu so ede ababonten
Jürgen Norbert Klopp do afeno obi ba JK head coach manager and the man Liverpool you never walk alone nene wakasa dia fa Brenton ni ane Darwin Nunes ho Darwin Nunes a Brenton is striker and the man Liverpool nense emfa and am sent man for the sunny din FN eja dawre na eja dawre nense ball nense question de nyabi mo nanu the Liverpool epe win against Brighton or bombe ball just 2 minutes pe na no ana Jürgen Klopp echrema ese nya abotre edima Darwin Nunes or see a Brenton afe and no adapt and na fe so a Brenton no or important player edima club and the any Liverpool tenya de ombe pressure no or see a Brenton nya de why worried cra in kakra ombe talk so aboa Brenton na adapt we are amanfo ebehu the real Darwin Nunes
yenteni ko PM Manchester United akache na Manchester United akache no Erik ten Hag na panifo pa no so mo adwuma setrene informa team no eno na Erik ten Hag kiremu a na nsenie Manchester enkoye Manchester United akache na ni nyinam no akache Manchester United panifo se players na ono enche na bi contract aba na wieye na akache om se nkebe ya mo ntiro bi ahyemu esanso opeso hwe niema bi ni players no nhyeda hu omu ye etu omu hwe no mo ntiro bi ahyemu kweso no ankasa betena se onsampa mi player we metimi na ya adwuma etimu ntiro na ahyemu no sabri de mema panifo mo mu musuo so mo ni player bi etena se so mo ntiro na ahyem Manchester United akache
Gonzalo Gerardo Higuain El Papita a Brentford former player Edema Real Madrid former player Enzo Edema Napoli former player Edema River former player Edema Juventus former player Edema AC Milan former player Edema Chelsea Inter Milan Inter Miami a Brentford ho nyina waye adwuma na Gonzalo Gerardo Higuain El Papita me kana semi sunsun ne pe na mohunam no emro enra Gonzalo Higuain announced his retirement from professional football at the end of the 2022 season udram Major League na so ya Gonzalo Higuain chirema or the sumni nyina abanawie na nra wa bra Gonzalo Higuain confirm no na Brentford suana na osu na rehopa na nra oni na busua kwana no na Gonzalo Higuain chirema edu tembia social media de wa manfo di atem social media no o se ono ankasa wa encounter bida na busua helmopa in this time no ko na dwen so de sum no ba na wieye na okrokro mu ene o de sum no eba na ento se omo anytime bi omo assault amanfo verbally social media no o ka chom se ya na helbusua no tebe ya sa de no mu ntwa so enti ene Gonzalo Higuain de sum no nyina aba na wieye
yenteni ko PM Atletico Bilbao akache president friend John Uriet na papa ni chire mu padia senia ne mesi kon ekom nko adia enka eya brante Nico Williams o sia kan edma Atletico Bilbao no ekom no betena sena brante ne kwa na nyina no wasia kan edi ama Atletico Bilbao esan so chire mu senia brante ni kum no ho odanda no ho na brante ne mo eso ani ni de omo de omo hwenu sanka brante Nico Williams ebeja tum na ne kwa na nyina no wagina mu ewa Atletico Bilbao na wabatuma edi ama mu wani nsemu a president edma Atletico Bilbao John Uriet wade ababonte aropa ye jemu de ma on Sompa 98.9 FM eso
yemra fie na ntentem so ne ni komo kakra enso ewo fie ne sha ofisa mana se dia division 1 zone 1B enra okona na fosuji abo park ewa hafu bechema enra zone 1B game ba ko eto forma Unity FC Hakuna Matata omutena fie ene Young Apostles aja ene wotumi e de bani after 90 minutes no na Brighton di ene Gally Divine abo the only goal e de ama Young Apostles enra Young Apostles e kwashe kanaba ko a Unity FC and to me anti after game no Albert Enia o si akanima Unity ene nya man of the match join your live o Facebook Sompa FM and to Young Apostles go no enie
wonderful
yes
visuals.
Yes, Young Apostle into Abrante near Pow, goalkeeper no goalkeeper.
Keeper Baini.
Send a pen ko yi.
Keeper Baini.
Wasan papa.
Keeper Nasa. Ati for joining and
keeper Nasa papa.
Keeper Nasa papa.
Eti Abrante
sugar ya de say no.
Gally Divine.
Where the sugar ya de say no.
Eti Gally Divine.
Okay,
and I make us say onya go no edema.
Nyesa no wasan wanya ni di.
Ne mode money wo fom.
Ana wasan.
Ne mode money wo fom.
Wanya ni di. Unse senka wasan ko mo hye ne 6.
There be papa one thing keeper no
mo hye.
Anya say nye ni di o. Ne mode money wo fom.
Sa na so wiawia wo fom ho. Odo join ho Facebook ha. Obo nse ni ha isi.
Young Apostle ko share one there.
Sompa FM. Enti aja ene wo tumi ene nyankropon a kire ne tumi enso adiamo mo. Yedani enkopia mu e wo Alhaji Karim Grusa wonu so na kache anopai Alhaji Karim Grusa ansemo wa kanyina ne sa Ghana Football Association Vice President eyo Ramak Ato no Ramak Ato de wasi won kan wasi papa no yamambofo esansa papa no si afra meeting all Black Stars management committee na papa ima osori amano ne nko an wote ni nyina mu ne enche na kata 2022 World Cup no eba so wo mu ena Black Stars management committee ena ho so kra na ye chairman enti kabra ne anwen Black Stars no ne empa Black Stars ne kan kro no omo from akado awoma abrechire nko an wote ena osori zoom ozi papa dia ne oye no amwa Black Stars no ni nyina nkafu no kwasi ajiman dia papa no ti asem o kan ya no oba woze waka kire makado sese makado hwe na adwuma no ntimi nya onfanto ho esanse nipa doso amo pa Black Stars adwuma na ye enti so obaje adwuma no akwatino obi man so ne ya friend meet ya o ma de makado onfa adwuma die ento ho
ye ram L division 1 kakra ne kodi commandra and the club licensing committee and the match Ghana Football Association and the decisions and by into a division 1 club for now Venus no nyaba Venus no enyaba into two dia o Venus adekwa na egitu ma abehu na ne edika Young Apostles main Venus no Sunya Coronation Park club licensing HMA conditional approval until 30th October 2022 eno ache no bofo akwata no omode wadi kan bodada afa na aba conditional approval until October 30 2022 Wamanafo Mighty Royals at the Shman Park Wamanafo conditional approval until October 30 2022 Bafo Soccer Academy Nana Konomansa Park ewo nsuatere twumasi krom conditional approval until 30th October 2022 Unity FC Hakuna Matata Nana Ose Kofi Abri Park ewo ahafu Kenyasi na rejected omwanjantum enam sent omo say alternative venue aye bechem eho na nansen no omunkosi omwaka nto mashase ebo enra ombo mo first game Nkranza Warriors Golden City Park conditional approval BA United Coronation Park omashase ebo conditional approval ena Brekumasna omoso ashase ebo Golden City Park conditional approval enra ena club licensing edition na zone 1B clubs for now there obi ebo ni fie apart from Unity FC
anu emu ensem no ne dani kopie mu Jerome Ochiri mrebi atwam na Koroko Express no ena na ye editor Edema Kodoko Express Jerome Ochre anopa wechire party say Ghana Football Association ya adwen esanse na asem weda ho Ghana Football Association any ice gold in sesam no na sen company for kakran na league no on be chase omo chase na sabri omo che league na se ama enam so ama they say yasen atwa sensen no onimu nsem a sponsorships awdo no ana sponsors awdo no ebe for mutirim esanse o sponsors awdo na wo so epe mileage wo so epe quality ten na ko ba so omo chase na league yasen jaiboy ebe ma sponsors na for mo adwen ye pa enti on wo catch Ghana Football Association so mko ice gold omko ice gold na omko kwato a kwan ba fa so mbe kan sem na asundwe beba no wo mo kan sa na asundwe mra na ntentem ye no yansan hye Ghana Premier League na se na nkoba no sa dia ono Jerome Ochre wo ni se back ha Ghana football pa
Lagos City's Football Club onim say enche bi after match day 1 be break e confirm e de ma say Lagos City's FA no a charge omo so omo mra me yi omo no omo game omo ne mediema boy a mediema kwosho omo 1-0 no Lagos Cities Adea munya red cards too na no che no mu attack a referee di any Charles Bulu physically after game no kwa Charles Bulu ne car or the call match no Lagos Cities foi ekwadwo car the ties SSA car no baby kakra na no enene decisions every Ghana Football Association aba na nearby ne say ya finding Lagos Cities 8,000 Ghana cedis na 8,000 Ghana cedis ya finding omo no. In addition, ya sign amomo 2,000 Ghana cedis fine say omuntia 2,000 no and former referee di any Charles Bulu. Enti ya fine omo 8,000 no on be say to additional 2,000 e di ama Efe na Efe no di ama Charles Bulu no they replacing the car tie. And what a defender and the any Michael Ampadu or no physically or assault to referee di any Charles Bulu. In the game no crown on your red card. Na no ana Efe the chairman defender Michael Ampadu. Well, your man of 5 matches ban. Na 5 matches ban no. Shane Sumame say red card and then can on to be 7 red card no or 7 red card new year or be saying additional 5 matches ban. Edi account and na so club official bako on no Lagos Cities on no see man 10 match ban. Enti no air reporter and rather club line season Adea Akye Abia on Sompa yenso de chire kama udrem efuwa we this rep committee no and na ban no enso de ma Lagos City
yes 7 doso yemra no nsu esua enu ntie be ni asore so Emmanuel Ajiman Badu the tournament chire mu a Ghana na no okopiem ye draw no ase enam so ema Ghana ye wi na group C Chan tournament no ye ni Morocco Madagascar and Sudan and the same group ahead of Chan tournament because Algeria but ni nyina mu no wase on dia wo gidisa Ghana for players free band ye mu nyina ho entisi etimi tutu ye niam yi a onu no se Ghana ye betimi qualify at Chan tournament no gra no head asiena so weni nsemu a Emmanuel Ajiman Badu tournament wade atuja
enti it is na Edmond Ado oko Sheriff Tiraspor na nka Branty ni free ho akọ rest have be great na nearby in Branty no ko deal no anya successful enti wasian return to Moldova on Sheriff Tiraspor ashasi
Real Madrid for nam for nanim crisis
kafra Sheriff Tiraspor
o wen nanim a ese ko ba sa nanim nyina sesa nze nko ka Osman Bukari ho na nko mo aye adwuma
de anyeyi de wa return ya beka Razak Abalura
a opeso ono osesa ne nationality no
ene Mudasiru
asemo janse mo mpe eye common system be more identify a common system na mo Black Stars because you players but you intimi identify a common system say Ghana this is the system we are playing ti intimi ye ne sade ya bebo anti afutu a ono asamo jan baby jet ete ama eye otu
ato ya Jamalida ase
enti Jamalida won wa wadamfo no wana na o hye ne kutuba
nyamfa
si wa say wa dwen dia ne yenko na eda kwame ensom na wonto am so eda enti over to you momo adwuma so du a homa
so case I say monim tu a yenso yenim ho nsem ka ma me ne his excellency Akwasi Adea Akye commando pay Galam say na say Ghana ha no empelifon bi beso mbeka no kre no ma me ni komo anopay emra your excellency anopay ma che
me amejo so na what to say
ya me adom na so mpom to say
me ho ya pa me cha so jamai o sunyane me cha ne pa na ye party chairman e wo bon
yeah na okay baba party but ma me hwe yan hwe ade we se Ghana ha galam say no kamia se no kre ka fon de kakra bi sha se free baby e kan ho asem a fei ebedu China for so now You are saying so even Ghanaian politicians kwan omo de galamsey ho nsem fa so ene ya ne asa be hye kire say ya ankasa ne ebo abrakuro no so no sa attitude of Ghanaians ye mpanyimfo ene galamsey queen in your wisdom on say Ghana ye betimi akosa queen.
Oh, me na me chair atifu na Ghana say ye be ye ho beto ye ose pam MPP ne ndisi flo problem about Ghana Ghana for na ya for dene MPP ne ndisi omunyo madu so mbedi no kra ma we da moto abama wo mu a emperifo ne dia ni mu no wo mu boto mu ne ska mu di kogwa broche ne do mu di enya wo mu nko ya ene hia wo mu hwe my brother MPP ne ndisi omunyo no kra ma Ghana da enya gadam se nko a ye oyira yinya yi a ye tuli emperifo shada ne abofo ya Canada omu koma Ghana 13% ya ka mu fo nkogu account so wa broche ma ye inse se koma Guma mu dia no masa galamsey na na kukwado ni mu bi ohini tu galamsey wo dukrom bia wo ni mu bi aso ena abujina poko jina simpi so a wo se ayinfo ena den sa asema me yese no ayi ayinfo so konya simpi o mo se abamu perifo na de krata aba ema o mo be se ye kwai ni yesu Ghana perifo wo ya panyina wo di no krema edipa Bible say na mishano na me yene masa akwala ba me nyini ye me yene masa panyini ala Ghana perifo mu nyini da Ghana perifo mu nyini da aden ko na muka no muka wi mpeso obi agitum na ka se de na ayi na aka na no kre the president aka na no kre what kind of leadership is this Galam say na ko faro ni mu bi
Davida oka so ni mu bia ni obi beka sa said the person chire say o concession odie
Davida be o benefits ka if you bare o mo command bi
Odie asma kan mu odio your excellency
oh my kind platform be bre so wate na ko faro wate
asema ko wo nyina so
na le nyina so a atiwa forest ya three boys no o man ka say so mu free Jubilee House na ko faro what is o issue statement ebe ka se nkofuru minimum mo asoma mo kan kwana o man kan be bia o court eno nya ko kan sa asem o mo dia ban land process ene we atiwa forest ana ko say Sompa what my head champagne e ko see river so ensure ye di bye hydroelectric ya di bye generate hydro power na minister of environment and Nana Akufo-Addo ati me de champagne akosensuo ni nyinara na na what so abo wa fa sa eprekwa na mu o kan wo video no mu se sika ye nya free mu no ye de bi call Jubilee House ye de bi bo party activity na na Akufo-Addo wakasa fa so pon what wa da so ne na mo wo dia no to nchen a excavator 200 on ma ye CZ no nya no asa chama MPP fo mu de kwa ya duma no chama untumi wanya Central Regional Chairman
yeah
wudi mu chole kwa edo wa se no na na ko for back ma se no ne nam
so ono do say our lines is up to 2035
oh the lines is who I am on Kenkai and now one of the newspaper say Minerals Commission about this woman ka say dia
edi odikei yan hwe ne say nanom de na wo kan minister by no say Adea ahemfo no omuntimi nka so omunim hu bi ote kokko so ba say na we de eyedai de ahemfo ram US embassy so omu anem senior Ghana so aka say they are powerful men omu hihye sa adwumadi we achi na yen bi sa powerful men ye fru a galamsey ne ya ne ye hu sansem yense from different institutions
wa sa ko fuwi wa sa I said I am a person me sure bia mo amuche beka se bi odike ani nsade
ani nyusu
you be am respect ade papa Ghana perifo mo bu se ya mo bi ne o ma chi agu wuram ana mo ya do mo petre na ya man US ambassador mom ana me ka se me anyini odike ka men shaba ahemfo se yenkume amoma bopa ade metofo ada tututuo ma kuma 11 e wo me so se nyame ene yi ni free mu a Mini akamenka tiase for otu for by continue can one wedding for US ambassador no o sheda ma 17 o ko menhia ekobuta no say galamsey no nana ejebe na wo ya fa ho said the mimi busai no the same question the US ambassador busai no banana refuse we di ka kan o take say me o ya form o take afra santeme mo yimfo ama wo invite abujina poma ne baby
Sompa.
Oh, can say what see for motete ai mona mo say you so near quiet
yeah
after the ambassador so ba wa wo say infuni mo we ana na mo yes ati
Origenti saa de we a ye kwoso yi saa infunim hu bi say waka ni pain say MPP ni NDC for the ezi yo mu fro na yo mu fro na say nyame adum UPP ba infun so da so ho ye yo mu fro enye ye
I am not your issue man me ba the first statement parliament semra said surface mining you need technology de be you need won get na yen so ni akwaye se no enti o emfa employee biti yemfa carbon so masa galam say even gold surface mining of any kind amwa Ghana gold you just get every move ana baby o mutu galam say kwa o basta son of one areas kanoko tell of what you pon say o ba be destroy Ghana na ya ba pomo cho azan ya didi ye pere for o na kete so nwele o mu ni vision o mu ni foresight tell of what bia koko and am no ka say tell of what the share the bia koko akobia the bre o ma bia over 50 million trees by China our ma start here export one o ma ko catch Switzerland baby e ko to koko ni say the koko no wudo na ya de galamsey no koko ni na twe koko abanum edigana koko ye omunya eto south china chino so no china for the ba Ghana yes you dey acquire na telephone abeso mo sell adia eno na the backbone of our economy no Chinese person mo destroy na ye mobo na fe ye koda wo we no economic colonization.
Na Your Excellency yempen for itu kwan omu sa anwomai enti sa de ani so ade hu ni nwoma wo kan say these are the intention of Chinese no omu hu
omo mbe so mo tam so da bia eti China for discovery mo no maje omo bo na election time omo be bodwa kese wo nyane no mo twa bribe ma delegates ne mo ehemfude bi no mo bodwa MPP NDC ye na mo the brass man efie 9 na da so jina ba bia ojina na na bure monwene monna kete so na monwene na
get ya mo say ye dwen kro omu nwe emayen emedi omen so
na mo pa no because aba na Ghana mabunu o man pedi for na hu say everything is all right but obi aye bi ana mo to na mo lo mo obi try say pedi mu MPP
na na genya den
also we have demonstrations upon demonstrations because yes you ni akwara ni ensas ni yes no e de jamo wo be dan mo aye won aduma masa we 800 water bodies and MPP ni ndi sia say no e sika tema kuma ko 800 na operimo wanya 70-80 years or boss abra we de jawo o wanya 17 years o to worry no o ti wo ere no o ma say oba afintu na warriors no obi aba nchon fa bi otuba nchon fa bi nchana yes bo se bebe ku po abo agye nyina o mo asesi kan nyinara e ta be adadai
o ma ebe
mo de mami a eni efie mienu wow da wa be kasa ediga na bi se na tie ana ne wo ni pe bi sei obetima yo mani ye ana se ne ya de da no the confusion nye I'm pen for 2 million we buy a system nearly 2 million any 2 man mu no na would do kwasa asem o sabe ye de mra ache onyansa emra no any boundary be any barrier the way apanyi we emle ni no and o ma from learning nyina show mu nsam because akufo ado no papa we pa he wa ha ga no kanado What dear quakes over 10 years. Adea Mama ya near Sompa, your poor Betiano, or your times 10. Mama so about times 10. That is what means that. Say, I got himself to buy, baby, with my group, over send more. I don't know upper, Sagana, my Brumoda Catasana, William Vin and Tin and the Tuba. A baby about your hotel be back on. A baby about a MPP near this Korea. But you know, Monune, Namudim Hong, a Mabuna Morgana, Mudim Hong. You should wake up from your slumber, mother.
Okay, I put on there, but they say, I say, who incite you to know?
Against what? Against their liberty. They don't play freedom. Freedom to something come down. George Bush, former American president, also freedom is beautiful. I am free mental slavery. Now you know, as I said, you have someone to cage him. That is how the mindset of Ghanaian youth at here. You don't know what is good for you. I rather be the other one to do it. You can't know how to find a better as Gracia. You can't consider this school die. Teacher near what MP at there. You pay 2,000. Now, what I could do parliament and your man 250 million a month. Out of the Samano 4 billion. I'm an cruiser. Ghana sometimes because the jaw man and Nipaka Krabina Oma for money no moon state capture. Now what to men as I said, Namedia might be Mekan be the land size of Ghana be Mekan be now I can charge also say we didn't pass. Then we sure I'm a call for no China and even send on uncle. Also that's your the devil is there. The bear look at your pap. Your chases are what Malbe said. Chase those rats. You chase them out of town. Master, popular revolt. Say about to buy a common pedal. And you're criminal. I am constitutionally mandated. Another America, UK, almost president in time on phone. Boris Johnson. Omo bodu tutu pamon floma for by. Mun shenya nsana e dey call air time. Now democracy headquarters. What democracy say? I say UK for. As omo pamon omo president. Wa bra the time
prime minister no yeah.
Omo prime minister. The Jamaica president is sana e be better say.
Yeah. Excellency, anopay me anase. Me dem say best course atwen komo.
Me pa from that.
Okay. Yera Akwasi Adea Odike aneye founder ma UPP. Anopay wote se ye no edi nkomo e wo galamsey ene enso a ye say no. Da bia ya mo join us on Facebook no mu hu videos and pictures no. Said ye nyoma esitia. I'll show you because of galamsey. Etutu tobia ekoso nyako maache.
Ye nua say.
Nempom te say.
Nyankopon adom ne wo mpa ibonti me ho ye pa na wonso e.
Nyame adom bibia ye fine.
Nyankopon wase. Nyankopon wase.
Chame maache.
Kwame me do so running mate de ma Akwasi Adea Odike ye wo.
Anyo.
Wo. Ma film papa no.
Bi ma wa kwa ba keke.
What
Bebe o. Alaji. Wala afia.
Love you alone.
Alope bibia she.
Oh, I don't experience.
Okay. Opoku atena se mo mienhwe video we mbra. Yenhwe video we. You can also join us on Facebook. Na onso watch me ahwesa video ya make ho asem no ebi enso honum. So Facebook ni Sompa FM. We join us obetimi ahwe video no. How because of galamsey. Say the 20 there. Ghana am say we do ni here you. Ni patutu ti say ye to ade bi do. Eto pa. We side arm. We a double bar. We dey to 8 ni bi. Yes. Eto na edi him. Mo ma me sound na ajaye ye wo kemu a ye ntimi connect ye no. Ye nso ye ntimi enhwe bi. yentie sound ne kakra said you two esi edie him. It's very worrying. It's very worrying. Say Omay wom and Galamsey ti I'm out for to
Hey. Fast. Who's running? What's that caliber?
Okay, what the about to a video no so Galamsey to. Era amunko te say Sa Galamsey ya arise said the nano pebdio di komo say president on your director say president Kufuado ana ma de ne ekoso as president Kufuado on your new biani but ma me komo era mo ma chen
Mejo so
na pom to say
dia kan edigu
say akamia say akun mempese mekasa age ensem na one kasa hu the fight against Galamsey who ne say
the social can no what unia kudua unia tribus the baby social the no control ni na want to yen o ti jo ba de ebo that dey obo eniama totokata ye fe natural artifacts ebi ni nsuo e dida de bako epo mountains amepo mframa ya humi asase ene emu agudie nipa datani yenina ye natural artifact
Sompa FM
ena yawo yen abewia ana nyame abo yen abewia ena yen yedi natural artifact no yedi create artificial artifact. What is it? Okay, so what it means is that about the episode they need to go and assess some aspect of the natural artifact. Normal at their fact through technology and engineering, not better than it bridge. Apart from Yankupon, let there be F and there was F. Let there be light and there was light. The beer produced based on the source need the natural artifact.
Yeah.
Man, no, the person who has sacrificed, I won't chat ya, mammy, okay, now, in 2014, before not Yanya with me, and 2014, say, a man and 24 say, the way you use natural artifact, say, management to be a metal, you better say, you better depleting. Protocols are depletion of some part of the natural artifact. And in the Omukuchia, I will Rio de Janeiro, I will Brazil in the early 70s, and Omutepi decisions that a man beyond the environmental management system, I will resume. And when they establish EPA, any other environmental agencies. Now, we yet to come her, and they yet or minor pluma from 72 or they were 2022. So, yet you walk. Emma insure jama ye natural artifact ni ye the sikape any greediness any stupidity near the China I was seeing ye sorry water near ka se jamu ya no munya Gentia menia brea make us say I was say president o si the trust na osu say what the more as a nation because we are too about the uni say on the share say you be atoye ye develop in a form of some management and yet ye be keke ye na nanu science our contract no already the nero no omo kire yen say e was ye manage natural artifact no. Now president in the appointment for ministers and he said well ye minister be na minister direct supervision over a certain sector of the economy almost depleting and almost say natural artifact no na so share almost say then we have a problem. Chemicals no mu use no Ghana you produce chemicals no chemicals no e for pot bi never and if you come to pot one as chemical na e ba no omu bi say chemical no omu dey dey e ko wie wo he e obi na aduma no no eni na ukọ pot wa yi pe bo wo ho one for omu nyina wo pot wo to check some of these things. It is an obedience behind not chemicals yenim the diako now mining one. Not yet is to work about him for. I have a problem. Because of him only department to be almost chemicals also. I am buying and paying for our president in our power. Pot and harbor on and pay for chemicals now. It's in Ghana. I mean, you to Amekoku Yensu. I didn't know Mushan and Shanghai. Yebet Abafono, Omunimiu, Abafomo Yati Papa. Omunim chemicals in the beer, your tone chemicals in now. And the chemicals, the number of chemicals in gallons are my year. Meaning our coin, Omunim said in Africa, Echo Ghana. Such chemicals now, and that's not Yomunya. At another time, because you introduce it into the earth, no, a bit run food, a bit rain, and you started cohort, almost dear, it's almost started and no warning. So you're back a canon, almost may find a bit to know Emma, because they are thinking, and we are not. And to be answering the country, let me say, I think for and I have blame now. Now, why the two about now, what? Let's get that power as a minister. So person dey worry because of him no opportunity or him or issue license some for him issue license until many taxes they ever blame him now or him or issue license but in the club no dey aba for say me say many of him be nkomo o cham ya ko fair or him ya arrangement and papa iba ye nim nkomo o dey ba oba I say well, Abai Amamikrata, the city make sure you has a goal. Exploration license and the Edema. Now, Odi Amanosana or the Akko Piana Sino, our Koton, okay, Abai Diana, you or catch you or what you should, or say, I tell side at that manner. You are hurry and so coffee. Yet, I show, but making sure, sir, Uncle say, Uncle Phone. Unko say ensure that ho unko say ohini no betu na nipa no ko asase ni so bia duma okodi wa asase no so no anyenye bia ohini no okọ school ho here okosua mining obehu se nipa no exploration no ye ana wo ye mining obedehu na wo issue license na wo ti de bia wo ti no wo hwanhwe han ama nipa na wo de license no no wani ni akire emani hu se and if you are yes, exploration now or yeah mining. I didn't know which are who this work about I have. I don't mean charges. I didn't because who are we issue license? I was saying who officials I was baby who the license in the airport.
Yeah.
I'm on Moody Cottage, more Moody Cottage. No one needs to actually say who license me the mouth for 3 months. Explore now your code in India. The catcher in and she said, only for license now, on a shut up motor.
I say, "Oku from water, don't go exploration, or go straight into mining." Meanwhile, a man of mining license.
Yeah.
Now, who the blame me more? Or you know, or the chairman, other Arinfono, Omuko mining school that day. I don't know what university now, we had what minerals commission for, and I will what you know. And you would issue license, one and that say, license in a jamon, because you know, attitude so say, only a Obio license, a park of this one. And then to quite a cabana, because the locals were here within the framework of the law, which assassinate and they are fine. But who said constitution say the land in Ghana it is vested in the name of the president.
Yeah.
And he agudie na. And he said, "O president nipa issue a license. Now what he say umpenia. Then on him who are to trust them."
It's like only a president Neko because of what the constitution says, yeah.
And it's a minute to honor for one about no more to go to know Domubeyo. And once I made report to say, hey, in Kopobi Edins Unuha, Muma had their Mama license. Now to Minerals Commission, follow directly under land mines and lands and mines resources. Now what you say, you blame him for what?
So
how do you blame him for? The Adea say him for near buying and the starting to Paco. If that is what we want to do, that will be anarchy. It doesn't work like that. So I'm for mobilizing for no mobilizing or continue at the head. What will leave all the license labor to shoot you? And we are anarchy.
Yeah.
Because he is not bound by any law. Yes, parliament and passing law. Never licensing then we can blame them.
Okay.
Or no better me adding the now we are exceptional.
But Mr. Kote, they are in Funibia directly. They are involved in Sagalamse activity directly.
That is another chapter altogether. So, the corporate license nowhere to, and we are different. And only license, but we need them to say, Kodia, you're coaching for a Gabusu Hobia. What work we need them to afford them, and also I know we're criminal. Because only license, only exploration, license cry. And you know, a different matter. Sort of it. But Obia are buying assets, I'm on a license. Say, on exploration. Not was starting too. Then we have a huge problem. You don't turn around and come and blame a chemicals now, use chemical, a hazardous chemical. And it's all the very corrosive. All the system no more. Sorry. And yet the So, in quantities of hazardous chemicals are everywhere Ghana Hano. Aprafunu they know. Ukotoa, you bet you a cheap, or move saying, or move bill in the piano. They know where you are sending those chemicals. Almost steady as the chemicals in the view of Ghana. So they are allowed. So that chemicals in the view, I didn't know there. Almost bloody bomb, that's all we had. And so we said, no, for Galamsey. Okay, if it is for Galamsey, then everybody is in danger. Because Insionu will be contaminated. The soil itself will be contaminated. And she said, if you free Ghana near the court, Amanonia, Abrafono, forget it. They will not use it. Or mobile label good for their zoo. Because once now my own load chemicals and Fankopia in Katia now exporting from Reno and Marinko. No, And the woman said, pump enough chemicals into West Africa, into Ghana.
I see.
Yes, you are 2 about my money, and a pen and a pump. No more to walk, ni party paying for Munamo to walk, and then this is Munamo to walk, not a Maya, a Galamsey, Koto. No more time, who said, you have to borrow more affable. Are you out of your mind?
Mr. Akote say a chena kasa now, enya dia. Then what happens? Now is a queen, you lose the fight.
Of course.
Going forward, the end bit my as of mine.
We have to throw the FPP and their president away. They shouldn't come near governance any longer because only the age now more.
And the next 2 years, I said now, okay, you.
I didn't hear that now. And they see him compared to Tim and Kobu. It doesn't work like that.
The Yanum so is I said the Ghana water for cancer.
Never Jini to one Omuba Ebe de Buya, she near Kotuma. And this is possible. Near Kotama. You have a team to walk and me, who said, I dear way Omuba Tiaya, my what and one see a dear today and some Manisa near the Tuma in the Gusa near the Tower Minor. So say, in soon, I contaminated. Where are we going to get water from? In the next few months, in Kopobia position, forest more, or what depleted forest in now. And I say, Kenya, a satellite pictures be Obi Eddie John Akota, and or the chairman from a issue be Saati and a Cobra, but the train now share the say forest now. What are we talking about?
That what a
and the who you two of them now the people who the boy and from say because that in paying for in Ashas here. Now saying you see a photo drone. Making 20 men and say drones look and you will be a war. It means to say, oh, that's a nipa one photo and a photo. Mukotoya, Johnson, a dear man at Johnson, and in the young who said, in the forest, our Mudin.
that was an pay. I want in our train, but you're not.
But we didn't want to make
that is exactly the case.
We need a to me be our baby. And one said, Maybe my book won't back at her. Make a severe, not doing. And I pay Munchia at Santiman Secondary School for mammy. Not a 2 4 so a being command. I don't know if mammy school at Santiman. And I.
Okay, is a cote, Eda Sepa, as well. You prepare best, Akasa.
Amen.
Asemu. Sompa 98.9 FM anu pay ya hwe enso ne seye ne niema ekeka ho galamsey amatu toto kokoso some of the areas beyond ma anu eyedin but sene enra yadi tu for bagudie saying so eseyen sasi yadia neba yadia nso badia enya dia yentimi hwem enwu also 21st clinic for boy na yenya pomden Dr. Yusuf arapai marching
mejo so
I'm pom to say
oh nyamina dom boko
good
me gidi so ho ye
nyamia dom ye ho ye pa
yo
ada man na de na 21st for the my
all right de meda wasipa ye and ya this one no ya be share business yes the
okay.
business and usibri on say mpempi no answer na ye de topic bi say beba radio so say be discuss na say be sua ho ade no na kyerese ya hu say ho nsam e be pa amofo bebre e complain say mani so breme ti ye be share business no and usibri no no fapem nyina ya he kwan ya be fa so asa no na ya ka say business a na medical kan no de ko ya kasa mu a na kyerɛ sɛ anusubire na anasa ti wo hu sɛ nipa dansani sɛ de na osi hu noma no wobɛhwɛ bibi na sɛ wiase no ɛtwa no ho na sɛ noma nhyɛ de nkɔ yie sɛ de osi hu no nyɛ saa na osi hu na otimu ayɛ ha ne ade ne fɛ no anusubire na sɛ woyɛ obi a ɔwɔ hɔ a apɔmuden esipi na wani so mbiri wa na kyerɛ sɛ normal 4 ɛyɛ adwuma yie deɛ edi kan ɛyɛ o brains wadwen ankasa no na kyerɛ sɛ bibia kɔ yie ma no ana deɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu ɛyɛ eye brain connection no wani no ɛne wadwen ɛwɔ kama na kyerɛ sɛ saa connection no a ɛmma wani so mbiri wɔ no ɛno so ɛwɔ yie afei honam no nerves na ɛwɔ mu no connect wadwen ɛno nso ɛwɔ yie na ɛno da nkyɛn a waso mu ankasa waso inside ɛne wadwen ɛno nso connection no ɛwɔ kama yes na noma bebree ɛna de anusubire no ba na yɛnhwɛ eye brain connection no sɛ woyɛ obi a yɛmfa no sɛ wohwɛ dua ne si hɔ erect sɛ ɛkɔba no sɛ wani etimi depict sɛ dua no esi hɔ erect a connect ma wadwan na sɛ ɛka kyerɛ wadwan sɛ dua no si hɔ tenten enti ɛba no sɛ wohu dua no ne picture nyinaa kama na dua no ɛda hɔ a sɛdeɛ wani ɛbɛhu dua no saa na connect anaasɛ communicate to your brains ɛbɛka kyerɛ wadwan sɛ dua no ɛda hɔ na watimi ahu picture no kama enti na kyerɛ sɛ wani ɛne o brains anaasɛ wadwan no saa connection no ɛyɛ pɛpɛpɛpɛ na ɛba no yɛsumu a deɛ ɛma wo gyina hɔ na ohun sɛ me gyina hɔ straight deɛ ɛma wo da hɔ na watimi ahu sɛ wo da hɔ straight ɛyɛ free ne nyinaa free wadwen wasumu na kyerɛ sɛ ɛno na ɛma wo maintain balance yes na wasumu no yɛwɔ nsuo bi wɔ hɔ saa hɔ no baabi a nsuo no wɔ yɛfɛ no labyrinth na ɛhɔnom no ɔhu sɛ saa nsuo no ɛno na ma sɛ osi utiri ase se a wadwen timi hu sɛ wasi utiri ase okyia otiri kakra se a wadwen etimi hu sɛ wakyia otiri kakra ne nyinaa efiri nsuo no movement because sɛdeɛ nsuo no si gyina wasumu no sɛ okyia otiri se a wasumu nsuo no nso ɛno nso akyia no ho saa ɛte sɛ deɛ wode nsuo agu pan mu ɔhu sɛ wode nsuo gu pan mu a pan mu no nsuo no gu mu saa no wotware friend sɛ pan no saa bon sɛ nsuo no sɛ tware saa wode si hɔ no ma pan no si hɔ alright nanso bon sɛ nsuo no egu so ɛden tware no ho saa ansa na atimi akɔsettle saa nso na wadwen mu wasom tie enti sɛ wogyina hɔ na sɛ wo spin ho saa na sɛ wotware ho saa na wogyina hɔ prɛkopɛ bon sɛ still awa no so biriw na kyerɛ sɛ nsuo no a ɛwɔ wasumu no abra wo tware no ɛno so tware no ho enti wogyina hɔ pɛ na still a nsuo no gu so tware no ho enti na ɛka kyerɛ wadwen sɛ still a wo tware no ho enti wobɛhu sɛ wani so biriw saa na kyerɛ sɛ ɛkɔba no sɛ problem ɛba wasumu a wani so betimi abiriw saa bɔn sɛ nsuo no ɛka kyerɛ wadwen sɛ wo tware wo ho ɔho analogy no yes enti wasumu nya problem a wobɛhu sɛ wadwen no ɛka kyerɛ wadwen sɛ wo tware ho bɔn sɛ wani so biriw saa nso na honam mu no sɛ woda hɔ anaasɛ mpo wogyina hɔ a there will be some communication no nerves no a ɛwɔ honam mu no ɛka kyerɛ wadwen sɛ woda hɔ wapagya wo nsa anaa mpo wogyina hɔ anaa wote hɔ enti at any particular point in time no position a obɛwɔ no communication through the nerves no ɛkɔ wadwen mu ɛkyerɛ position a wowɔ yes enti sɛ problem kɔba hɔ no ma ɛno so betimi ama wani so ayɛden abiro because there will be wrong signals na kyerɛ sɛ nerves no ɛntimi communicate yie ɛntimi ɛnka nkyerɛ wadwen sɛ wogyina hɔ oda hɔ anaa mpo wote hɔ enti ɛba no saa na wrong signals no ɛma wani so ayɛden ebiri wɔ now yɛbɛhwɛ normal ahodoɔ a ɛtimi ɛma wani so ebiri because mpɛn pii no ɛyɛ na obi ani so biri no a ɔsɛ mekɔtɔ mogyaduro ogoto mojaduro no eden adwuma pa na eyema wa wani so ebiru nti kokko no mojaduro obetumi no mojaduro beye de oho onso still na ni so biri no in the first place adenti a obenu mojaduro na abra wonim yade no kofa bai ansa na ebeto aso no na make how say 21st clinic ana oti enkan say ka say 21st clinic a ya giso the sciatica experts na kire say yade a efiri osisi na chi osisi na ankasa no etimi etutu pa yi na say osisi eya oya na pesa obenu painkillers a 21st clinic ana etimi ekoso oto ase honom no honom ebetimi atutu pa yi ase de ekuro ewo honom no now na de aba osere na chi efa ona kukumonde ba ona ntu ede ba ona ase ankasa ntiri na ewo hono etimi ehwetwon abra ona nti na etwetwon ebi wo ho a wada na dwena opesa otwum mu no na bibia be so na kukumu honom den empo ebia na saa ya we nyina wo de wonte na mum se onanti a na ona agene onanti mi otitriti ampo obehu se onase na se no panian kitinkiti bi ewo onase obi ho na nan etimi ehyehye se de edi makwasra no Ghana ne Africa nyina no 21st clinic ena etu ase en obi na ka na asem umpo 21st clinic na abibidro ana yusu ewo 21st clinic yen yusu abrofudro ewo honom because say opeso tu yare ase pa se yusu abibidro enti abibidro ana yusu 21st clinic ana abefo kwan so no yesen yusu machines ahodo ede sayade ye twa scan say ebia o kidneys on sano o brebo o liver and I said normal ni pedua kwa ewo oyefunu mu no o pese hu se bibia eda na kwa mu a problem bia and bibia nto chima o mu a na kire se twa scan na scan no 21st clinic ye bi ewo ho ye sen ye moja mu hwehwemu no ye hu yade a ehawo ye wia afei abibidura ya sone so a onoma oha biara eni akire no ye de asa oyade ama na ye send the machines ahodo aka ho massage pa na de asa oyade ama na enye sciatica na say yade afru sisi na chi oto ase eba onankukumu honkwa na yesa wo yaso ye se eye mojabroso se ya sikire yare stroke obi a odwunso ntentem ebia na oyefunu wanu medura che 21st clinic osa ebe ya last stop na Ghana fana nyina no obehu 21st clinic ewo ho ewo sunyane obehu ye wo sunyane penkwase yane regional hospital first gate ene edin hwani mu ba bia taxi phone no airpark no yane honom ene edin hwani mu pe sanso na brekum no yewo brekum amengo ase go so ye ben success fm ena techimai ye ben ajinkwa fm wenchi ye ho nkranza ye ho kumase se hwidwabo so debi so takwa akoforidua akra emiamia bebre o de freyen 0546 616161 0546 616161 ye twaso ana ye hwe normal hodo a edi anisubire eba de edi kan se owo obi a owo problem ewo wasumu a se ebi a wanya infections bi ewo mu a hu se wasumu ekeka wasumu timi eye oya na kire se ebetuma ye infections aba wasumu ebi o ha obo hu se eya na nso bitimi firi na sumu krampo eba ne nyina kire se infections aba wasunu mu na ekoba no se infections no ekoka ba bia efra no labyrinth na etimi otimi nya labyrinthitis ana se problems ahodo ewo wasumu eba no sa communications no ana se said ye ebe yanka nso na agina wasunum na ebetimi aye na adwuma yie no ema adwuma no chimato ebemu na akoma wrong signals ekọ wadwen mu ti eba na side tumi ema wani so eye den ebriwo sanso na owo obi a owo akoma yare enti obi ohono ma oho na se na akoma no ebo ntentem bronyi beka se arrhythmia obo hu se akoma no apart from se ebetimi abo ntentem no wa otimi hu se akoma na se de akoma no si bon embo normal etimi bo rough se de pebia na ebo ebi ho so etimi bon slow ase embo no embo ye embo se de se ebo no yes eba no sa akoma no de the way si ye adwuma no relax na moja timi abe feeling inside na afi apompe na moja timi akoba bia se ekobia se eye wadwen mu onsan onan oba bia na kire se nipadua na akwa ba bia ratimi aye na adwuma se de ese fata na se ko ba ne se akoma no ntimi mbɔ yi a anase ɛbɔ ntentem a mogya anka ya se ɛfele akoma no mu na atimi abɔ ama mogya atimi akɔ nipadua no mu yie no entimi nkɔ papa eba no sa ade na besie oxygenated blood anase mogya from apa ewu mu anka ya se etimi kɔ wadwi mu no entimi nkɔ honom papa enti the fact say mogya entimi ndru wadwi mu papa no etimi ma wani so biro because say o brains ene o eyes anase ba bia ya se eye na adwuma yie na entimi nye na adwuma yie enti se oye obi a wakoma egbo ntentem a eno so betimi de anisibire aba sanso na mogya boroso se ye friend say blood pressure high blood pressure eno so eno krona no ebetimi ma wakoma aba ntentem eno so betimi ma wani so ye den asan abriwo obi a mogya entimi ndi afusani ye wonu mu enti se oye obi a mogya endi afusani ye wo mu a nsusanso obetimi anya bi ne se ebi a onan betimi ayo titriti onsa betimi ayo titriti na because se mogya endi afusani ye ewo mu nti no mogya dodo a mframa ewo mu a ese se ekọ oti anase o wadwi mu ye no entimi nkọ ho ye eno so eba no sa etimi ma wanu sie den ebriwo afei se oye obi a asichire a ewo mogya no mu no eso atibebre anase esua bronyi be no low blood sugar uyo obi a mogya asichire dodo ewo mogya no mu esua eno so ebetimi ama wani so abiro ensense yenyina anim se obenya ahonde energy na watimi akwa ba ye wadwuma kama bibia timi eda na akwa mu a na se asichire ewo mogya no mu na kire se asichire no enna ma energy enna ma ahonde na enye asichire wadi nko enna ma ahonde na odi bibi ti se bayire mo na asofo ni nyina energy wom asichire wom enti sa asichire no enna ma energy na utimi dia ye wadwuma yie enti se koba no se even se ekom mpo edewa obohu se wadwe no krampo ensi so odwa ensi so no mo nkoye ma ebi okrampo a se kom de check kakra obohu se ebi okrampo na ema wani so ebiri wo sa bepe de mpesa mesi so no se asichire ewo ni pedua no mu no eso tibebira energy na se wadwe no enya no entimi nya papa enti se de se ye na adwuma no entimi nya na adwuma papa obohu se ema wani so eden ebiri wo ebia na oda aduro bi so ebi aduro no wanu ma che bibi ti se mogya boroso aduro high blood pressure aduro bi wo a ono ma etimi ma wani so ebiri pa high blood pressure enduro bi wo hono ma ono ma etimi ma wani so ebiri wo enti se oda ebi so na se wani so ebiri wa ba bia oje mogya boroso aduro no ma o doctor no hu se obi a mi no ma eduro we no ma hu se mani so ahase ebiri me se efri aduro na o doctor no be ka kiro na kese wasesa na ma sanso na aduro bi wo ho a ye say onoma na tima ma wada kama o abra onum sa nduro no bi wo ho no ma onoma atima wani so eden ebiri wa nti onum aduro no na sa wani so ebiri wa say ba bia o doctor na o prescribe sa nduro no ma wo no say o ma no hu say me sha se no ma aduro we say na mi hu na se efri aduro na obeka kiro na watumi asesa na ma no bebre ena de anisibire ne ba na mom emre no emme ye kwan esan se wani so ebri upe no bebre ena etimi de banti no wotu ho na montem a na wahu problem no kofa by na wasi ho na montem because anisibire no ebi wo ho no ma na empo ebi ana stroke na eba wa kwan mu so no abra onnim yes enti o decide sa o eba na mekoto aduro we no me makoto mogya bros makoto friend saying mogya duro anom makoto mogya duro anom pempi no obo hu se wonam for advice so koto mogya duro onom na no na heart attack because unim de edeba heart attack betimi de aba stroke ebetimi de aba enti ni nyina no otu ha na montam na watimi si ho ano kwan ntam na ankoba no se ebetimi aba serious emergency na ye de okọ ha ne ade na eba no sa na kire se akogi nsam kura na mesai ka wo se 21st clinic ena oti enkan ewo 21st clinic no me say eya bibiduro ayaresabia abibiduro ena ayusu na se wane gya bibiduro ho kwan dia 21st clinic no ebe ya o last stop yes say ya dia hodo bebre say ohon dodo wa okọ ayaresabia no sanso na obetimi aba 21st clinic sɛ wane gye abibiduro ho kwa de a yɛwɔ Ghana afana nyinaa ɛwɔ Sunyane no yɛwɔ Sunyane Penkwase yɛne Sunyane Regional Hospital ɛna edi nhwɛne mu Regional Hospital sɛ wofiri Sunyane kurom ɛna ɛba a first gate no obesi wɔ hɔnom nhwɛne mu pɛɛ ana sɛ no opposite obohu 21st clinic ɛwɔ hɔ saa nso na ofiri kyerɛ side ɛna ɛba a obetra first gate no aba second gate no hɔnom no ba bia taxi for no park no yɛwɔ nhwɛne mu pɛɛ ode kɔ Brekuma yɛwɔ Brekuma Mango ase yɛbɛ Chris FM saa nso na Gos no yɛbɛn Success FM ɛwɔ Gos so abotan so ode kɔ wenchi a yɛwɔ Kramo store n'akyi Techimai yɛne Adwonkwa FM ɛna bɛn so saa nso na de kɔ Nkranza yɛwɔ hɔ sɛ Hwidwabo so debi so Kumase Accra Takwa Koforidua Oboase ba biara yɛwɔ hɔ ɛno ane sɛ wɔbɛfrɛ yɛn ɛwɔ 0546 61 61 61 0546 61 61 61 0546 61 61 61 sɛ wane gye abibiduro ho nkwa de a 21st clinic no ɛbɛyɛ o last stop yɛda obi biara ase
and I say Dr. Yusuf 21st clinic Rwanda udru hodma said you ye strict pa ne ho nyina makwa gye abaso de mo ya mamumo ne adwuma menim sɛ samre a wo be call dan Dr. Yusuf mu nyina ho na nurses ni nyina available mu hwew brekum so be call doctors no ho a omu hwew na wankasa udru a wotim say yes wadru hospital ankasa we nye ba bia akwa wadru hospital they take very good care of you. 21st clinic for Dr. Yusuf Anope Yedamase.
I'm free. Jackpot mu hininabo. Betway atina kesiye jackpot ni new. For 17 games. Na said you wafani yina etum pepepe. Wubedi sika pori 16,500,000 Ghana cedis. For 1 CD 50 pesos petoso. Beti wanyansemu. So one if you do what you entrebi. Kaise nshishere kakra wo ho. Gaming Commission of Ghana nsa shasi. Betway a good yenu who don't ya.
Okay, the on Sompa 98.9 FM on the pay. Because say you be remedy komo. Na yene Dr. Thomas Anaba. Dr. Thomas Anaba, or Executive Director, African Center for Health Policy Research and Analysis. Doctor, I don't pay na abe parents need to pay pa. And answer yenuanum ne ma omo free Ukraine eba ye nyina nim war no ombedru ye ebiko School of Medicine medical school no mo buy na afei akoye enrollment se omo ntimi nko ote ya Ghana Health Dental and can say Doctors Medical Council ni nyina ba bonten ebeka se sa wona wo free Ukraine aba no sa online sem ne de enye Ghana ha da yamiadum yanyasem de say you enroll some of these students as also various medical school yene doc ni nkomo na yehwe asem mu doc pacho tie kan no pe ma chien.
Yeah, good morning and thank you for having me.
No problem to say I hope all is well.
Yeah.
Doc wait there make I say it's a welcoming news for all of us because now be headache and frustration for parents near Busuan Kwadai ba ye na as addition yakoki kam finfini. They say the decision of a medical school and as a ministry ni nyina ne aban to enroll these students so mobile no met marker say abe fruitful sa event nyina integration nyina. What's your general opinion on that?
Thank you very much. Medical and Dental Council is a regulatory body. It is supposed to ensure that all health training institutions are well equipped with the needed human resource, with the needed skills laboratories, and their curriculums are up to date so that there will be PA from medical school about and not any other institution related to medicine. Obey very useful to the society, and then he will practice very efficiently. Besides that, no, Omusu is responsible for anybody coming from outside Ghana, being trained abroad, and coming to work. They are supposed to conduct an exams on that person to ascertain whether he is really fit to work in Ghana, whether the training he went to acquire has really matured him enough, prepared him enough to work in our environment. That is the work of the Medical and Dental Council. Besides that, they also look at our practice in our hospitals, in our health institutions, to see whether doctors and nurses are working properly and ensuring that their work do not harm the society. So in this case, Ukraine they have been accepting students from Ukraine, graduates from Ukraine. They conduct exams for all graduates from abroad who come to work in Ghana. It's not only Ukraine, including Cuba, China. Wherever you train in medicine and you come to Ghana, you have to go and get interviewed and examined to ascertain your qualification. Then now we have this issue that Ukraine are war about. Ghana. Other countries close to Ukraine. The medical schools in Ukraine are not able to give them the needed practical direct training as required. So the council assessed an online classes for medical students to become graduates and realized that, in fact, even no country in the world that you can practice, you can do medical course, especially the basic medical course, online. It is not, because the last year specifically, the last 3 years are the most important years in the life of any medical student. That you do clinical practice to learn under a good doctor who is your lecturer to take you through how to examine patients, how to apply the theories you learn from the first year to the third year. So if in your last years of your program, you are not able to fulfill this requirement of working under a serious lecturer to take you through the practical skills training, then you are doing it online, you may end up not being a very good doctor. So I think it is based on this, Medical and Dental Council can say, we would not accept anybody doing any medical course, basic graduate medical course online. Because it is not accepted anywhere in the world. Besides that, even those who do the skills training directly under professorship supervision and come home, some of them still have challenges with the exams to qualify to become doctors in Ghana. So how then do we now allow others who are doing it online to come and write the exams and pass? How are they going to even pass because they've not done good practicals? In order not to waste anybody's time, I think from the very beginning, when they started coming home, some of us were approached and we told their parents, gather yourselves, petition the government and also petition the Medical and Dental Council, use the Ukraine war as a justification to appeal to them to see whether they will allow your children to graduate in our medical schools. It means that they will assess them and see where they can fit in which level. If they accept them, then they will graduate as Ghanaian graduates, not Ukraine graduates, because going back was a problem. I think they listened to the advice, and I think they approached the government. And thankfully, government has risen up with them and is supporting to get them integrated in our medical schools. So I think that this is not any serious issue we should grumble about. We shouldn't use emotions about this. This is about academic performance of people who are coming out to treat human beings. And the courses are not like accounting or whatever you can do online and come and be calculating figures. You are going to deal with human beings. And I think the Medical and Dental Council took the right decision. And I'll appeal to all Ghanaians to eschew emotions in this aspect and let's go by the guidance of the Medical and Dental Council. The people running the Medical and Dental Council are seasoned doctors. They know how it takes to train somebody to become a doctor. They know the difficulties involved. So to me, this is a good decision. Once an opportunity has been given to them to get absorbed in our medical schools, this is something we should applaud and we should praise them and we should encourage all our families to push our brothers who came from Ukraine and sisters to go into these medical schools and come out as graduates in Ghana.
Oh, okay. So, Dr. Thomas, as you said, some of these graduates from other countries, Omuba, even to write the Ghana Medical and Dental Council exam, to be accepted. Sometimes, a challenge, amumu. Now, listen to Dr. Nsia during integration. Like I said, some of these students couldn't enroll them to level 600, but from level 100 to 500. Because of our curriculum, the system, it differs from ours. So some of us who are not that professional say, so if what they are learning at different countries is different from what we are experiencing here, and no, doesn't it gives problem and more problem looking at their system and the system that they bring after training to the country.
Definitely, curriculums will vary, but the total, the ending at the end, it will suit a purpose. Let me say that Medical and Dental Council is supposed to monitor and supervise training of Ghanaian students abroad to make sure that the schools that they go are qualified to train medical students to come and work in Ghana. And I know the Medical and Dental Council has gone to most of these countries to assess their curriculum and assess the schools they are being trained. If they find out that one particular school or country, their curriculum is not in consonance with ours, they will tell the students and they will tell parents not to send their children there for such training. Or else when they come home, they will have challenges. I think it is based on this that they came out with this. Perhaps some of the schools that some of the students go are not meeting the requirements of the Medical and Dental Council. And that is why they are seeing so many failures in the exams they conduct in Ghana here for such graduates who come home. And that is why they are drawing their attention that if your curriculum doesn't really match with ours and you come to write the exams, you definitely have a challenge in passing the exams. And people may think that it is the Medical and Dental Council that doesn't want you to pass. But it is that if what you studied is deviating a lot from what we practice here and what is practiced globally, then there will be a problem. Some of these schools, I think, there are people who go around combing to get students to come because it has an economic impact in the school. So they want as many students to come. Some even do engineering and stuff and read medicine. That is one thing that is a problem. We are not saying somebody who has read engineering cannot read medicine. But you see, the basic science, studying of science in the junior high school is important to influence your performance in reading medicine. That does not mean that people who do engineering cannot be very good doctors, but majority of them may have challenges in their field. Okay. So all these things are taken into account before they say that if you come home with a curriculum that does not befit Ghana's practice, we would not agree because you would end up causing harm. The probability of causing harm is higher.
I see. One last thing, Doc. Sometimes, to me, it might be perception, but what we have is there are certain students with good grades. They will not be admitted at various colleges or universities, but who apply to these countries, definitely omunya admission. Ebu okra na pass mark, and it might not be as demanding as hanum dieno. So, is it perception, and I say that is reality when it comes to pass mark? Ghana, your university in India, other countries, and so omu require.
It is true that all Ghanaian students who graduate from senior high school who want to read medicine don't get admission to read medicine. UDS here, I've taught in UDS. You could see so many people having straight 6. They have to do an interview to see them. Some of them would not get medicine to study. They have to go out or they have to look for other courses. It is true. But it is also true that some people don't even have the qualifications and they manage to enter some of these medical schools abroad. And when they come back, most of those people will have challenges. Most of those people will have challenges. So what we need to do is to eschew this kind of protocol admissions, open our medical schools like our government's promised in their manifestos. Because we know of the current government's manifesto since 2016 was to expand medical schools. Ask them today, how many medical schools have they expanded? How many? And we have so much need for doctors. And those people, some of them suffer to really go outside. Some of them come home, let me tell you to be honest, they write the exams and they pass brilliantly. But some of them too come and perform poorly. So we have to look at how to maximize those who perform well. Countries that are giving us students who are performing well, countries that are giving us students who are not performing badly. The Dental and Medical and Dental Council have studied the trend and has taken a decision that anybody who does online, we won't accept him to write our exams. Okay. So I think our government should expand our medical schools, convert our regional hospitals into teaching institutions, admit more students, stimulate, reward people who have agreed to become lecturers and let them be happy and teach a lot of medical students to become graduates in our own country. Kuruma did it, and we can do it. But we are not spending money in those things. So I don't befault anybody who didn't get the chance to go to a medical school in Ghana, even though he had the grace and went out to come to study. We appreciate them. When they come back and they are good, we'll take them. But what the Medical and Dental Council is talking now is about doing medicine online. They are saying medicine online we won't accept. Okay. And for that, I would support them. Okay. Now, they should agree and integrate themselves into the Ghana medical schools, get their years completed. If they assess your curriculum and you are not fit to go to level 600, the year, just go back 1 year. It is not anything. Education is not a race. Go back the 1 year they are giving you, do level 500, then after that do 600, and you graduate. After all, Ukraine war is not ending now.
Doc, this morning we are grateful. Thank you for your time.
It's a pleasure.
So, Dr. Thomas Anaba Natise Meneno Edin Komo, Dr. Executive Director, and Soma African Oba Africa Hadia, African Center for Health Policy Research and Analysis. Ono Natise Yendinko, Ono Ankasan Swache Medical School, what UDS and so paying Natisa no pay Yanino Edin Komo. Na there's a Ghana, I say, my baby at this, medical school crown. Sa protocol a list and that's why we Muama. No problem. Me banana poku PC ofia or chame wanya konha me basisi na ye dim komo.
Na ufie dia na. Oni mana me fie ni o. If you your friend. Na chance no paso no boss one. Now you sure say fie ni. Very. The secret is Joy Chem Company Limited. Oh madam, madam me fie ya Joy Chem Company Limited. A chance price beer. A bit to say IBR, IDT, SSR, self-lock, circular, tile and shingle. Na oni ma Joy Chem phone chance na dance so cry fit ya kana. Joy Chem Company Limited. For one kasamu factory. Omo no mutwa mo chance. We nya agent adwuma bia. Se usika sam kra hawa. Omo akwenya, omo de be fa so. Na wa fa so no wetwa scan kakran. On be some free transport. Adie piwo e ma mo chance na de dance no say. E kra strong color cotton. E ma mo chance na mpa. E ma no so angry na nche. Nso to so a enyino. Hwehwe Joy Chem Company Limited. E was Sunyane. VRA Poly Runabout at Ben Goyle Filling Station. Promo 054 0125 818. Locate the main factory on the Techiman Kumasi Road. Our Hanswa Brigade. Here Ben Liberty Asonda. Obetimia for Joy Chem 4 054 0125 819.
Ye asemben kre ni aka 10 minutes na me meeting yaso. Ade na ka ho ayedin wo man yi mu sei.
Hello, Oyma. Na dey na we stranded sei. Ade wo peka ko baby ana.
Ase wo ni matwen ya me nyaka me contract bi ya abo me.
Oh, sir.
Enso so na emu nei.
Na wonte car to go app nka na.
Car to go app?
Aye. Car to go app. You phone ko App Store and as a Play Store. Download the Car to go app sisia. Register, place your order, say your private taxi and as a praga. Anyone ya. Obeba before ko baby opeso ko bia. E was sumdiem.
Sir, na che se hu hia se nka me ba be gina kwan yi.
What say wo mrekra? So wo fie, ejumom, baby a wo bia. Car to go. Eba be found temso. Na ne bo no so de e boko.
Wow, sisi me ride no na aba no.
So your driver and so main chinchin sell fuel cra. Download the Car to Go driver app and register our car here. So penchichemua fre 059 811 6142 and 0598 818 206. Car to Go. Travel securely with us.
Hey, Charlie, a moment, you might be a pow. Pesa, we need nana or now Bob Wapa. And now we want to be power pesa out on us with so. Oh, but wait, that you know, Vodafone cash overdraft. Remember when Philip Pete. And what your dial *110 hash. Select the option 5. Now with them. Say, young fan say, Opesa auto 50 cities data busumi bia. Na account sika 30 cities wa Vodafone cash wallet swa. Vodafone cash overdraft and share no more. Kwa unye sika ka sika home. At the end, your Opesa uye bia. Overdraft, oh say yeah.
Anyo, yeah for a big ass. Vodafone cash overdraft is share no more. Kwa unye sika ka sika. So we do Vodafone cash. It's your broadband subscription. Auto airtime, na data. And pusa will send this Sompa FM.
Vodafone.
Passion Air, your preferred airline with the widest route network within Ghana, has added one more destination to our route network. Sunyani is our next destination. Our newly introduced route, Accra-Sunyani-Accra, will offer direct flight services between the two cities on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Fly Passion Air and experience enhanced passenger comfort, more leg room and storage space, more head and shoulder room, larger windows to maximize natural light, and larger overhead bins. Good customer service, on-time departures, and reliability are our hallmark. For further information and reservations, visit flypassionair.com or call 0800 221 221 or an accredited Passion Air agency near you. Passion Air, connecting Ghana one city at a time. Passion Air, life is nothing without passion.
Why yo? Adea no afa sa bag musano.
Atia. I don't know yam shimi say. A good morning herbal mixture Dr. 3 days akofa na SCM sa no. She kane no na me fichi koma na enkoye infections any ulcer na etete me. Me ma me kotodwe ni sisi ene ne to ase na etwetwe nyina no. A good morning herbal mixture da romanti e ko na me kurukura de won to na say fisa no no e boa no ma ne bo adwuma wo mpem na junso sem na didi sem nyina no ene ekoye. Na anim sa ata ma me asma no. A good morning herbal mixture ene etu ase kra. Na me de mani chi wo ho krampo ne se eye immune booster enti eboa wo ema ya de bia wo mu bia no etu ase kra.
Ani ami na ma ya mre awa mpam no ade fe mamba ku na me kwanom
saga me ma good morning herbal mixture e wo Ghana fa na baby ya ko herbal shop any pharmacy a wo benya bi wo baby a wo de wo ko a wo se wo pe good morning anase matio
ade fe afe ana ma hunu wa sintasem no Dr. Tridis ana akofa good morning anase makio aba Ghana we si nyina ana ubatima fifia no our pharmacy ani ba bia de ayato na wa fifia number na
eni atia number no ni eye 0246594117 anasa 0553213587
wonim se eni emrem se wo betia kaprempo ansa na yama wo bill eye free of charge wo sanso nim se etiamra se oposi ni de wo be sha counterback abro don hwe aduanan woche ebra court in share se yemfa wo ento ho se ye chewo anasa wo hu nipa bi akosha counterback ebro sa don hwe ya ya boso yi a press our numbers
0302 766 756 0302 773 906 0302 787 373 or 0203 799 978.
Justice sector support activity, no barrier to justice.
Omanfo momwa me mamentwa wa herb active C capsules supuse na wa jeme
ampo wa herb active C capsules aboye nyina apom dire pa na wa herb garlic capsules kura de mentwa ne presen keke be tu chema nankasa
wa herb active C capsules amma metin kasa ma ho de asipi menyare basa basa biu esan prekese moringa ene cinnamon no mewuwo wo mu na yenim sa nubna yi soso mfaso nti menye gya me ho na aboa me
se immune support papa say wa herb active C ewo hoyi ne mabusu afo so apom de hu hiame de bia ye de bewe ye ho
ampo emreyo etumino eboa general well-being so enti yentwama yare amagini peduane moso
wa help garlic capsules nso aboa amemoje die mu afurisane yie
wa Jimmy Herbal Center yedamwase ene active C ene wa help garlic capsules a mudi aba beboa yen ewo pharmacy ene chemical stores
apemfo abato mo manufo no kwada wo ne dwedum bienu nka ho
atufon ko wa Jimmy Herbal Center anafre 0244 768154 0244
FDA aje adwede nkrato yatum.
All right, welcome back. Sompa 98.9 FM, Sompa TV, Sompa FM, Facebook. All right, Nanapo Kupie nya kwa brown mo chami ni mo chami yedi nkomo bebre anopai. Galam say no yedi nkomo you fed a lot from various institutions, individuals no. Open video no.
Oh, the yanko.
The better so. The better so among. That's so cry. Fantastic. Chami.
Galam say na nebe kan wasem.
Okay.
Kwa mampene na nana dan ko.
Sompa FM.
Na ba ni nyina na achi. Kwa me ose sabren ka mampene na nana dan ko kufado kwa me wa resign. Ni ntia me kasa on 10 July 2017.
Okay.
Oni se mampene gina simpie so de to man ni nyina nim se oba betu galam say na se. Omo mo fa kwoti kwan so. E tu fama gudi a tese itiamra no. Oba betu ase. Ama kwa me hwe mampanya small kan ye daga na fotum ne obi bia say was say I will put my presidency online for galamsey fight.
Okay.
I will put my presidency online for galamsey fight. On say na atwa ba bebi ono na bobo ano. Kwame hwe mampanya sma no kan 2017 na me gina so ade aye nne no se empo okan ya be ye se sambo mo fa kwambone su tu fo magudi a obekon atia saade no a wode wono na kunya kase ote so se presidency beto so no mampanya osen kwa resign afade bia anim se wo ye o man bi so mampanya kwa resign
pe asemo
kan wo de to dia kan sem bebre sen wo hwe na nan mo mudi kan be chechero man ga na de o man ni si wo na hwe nnuoma hodo obode ne mo de chen na kwam fa so toto no na nne yen ya ba chire ne ye ba be se ne de a ye di honfo wo se na wo hwe ye man ya hwe ye kwaye wo ho no mampani kan yo o kan bi se green Ghana obe mo man no asa gina na na so se kwaye ye twam nu ayi ni nyina no obesa ye nsu a ye se no no obehwe se betu sa ne mani nyina ase enne kura na ye west ense mampani na no de kasa ne sabiam sremeka ayemsa akoye no media mo man no ya akoye west enne ndie wom no asem no kan ye no akoye no me because the nja meka sa ne se tumi o kira me no wo hwe ne yekoso na wo hwe de minister babonte de betu dwa so de so na nanom ene wo mo wo eye mansin no amamu onim na wo de so bo no no wo frɛ na bribiri ba boaten na one yedi nkomo no yedi tumi nyina mampani so hwe pawo onkwanta bisa sɛ kone ko hwe wo bo ade bobre so ne nua ne enkwai ne bibia so sɛ be ya ensei no wo sɛ me wo kyea me ne momi ye bia mafa mra kwati kwa me so mra etia me a ede na oso de ye me ede na kwa me oso de ye me wo be yimadi yinadi na ofsa twa ho amba be kase anan an me de so bo na nanom a hwe kwa me wo ma de ba kwa sa ha adwene pa upon series of press conference about galamsey no a company kwa na galamsey ni sanso kosoro no won say ne ye be press conference ye galamsey ho ye kwa kotu se ko yesey ye wie na wo mo twam ho mba be ye press conference ni bi no wo mo nso wo mining sectors ni bi wo mo nso fa kwambone so because wo mudi nka kwa ekokoa mu meeting wie na wi asa betina sa plan say kwa be na be fa so betimetu galamsey ase meanwhile no kwa me wobi na napoku obi na ko obi me mu obi na maba betena ho nso ye pekwa be for so tu ase kwa me ebe ye me amisunya no wese he ya me de example MC ame fa se misek no ekọ meeting se kwa me na be for so betu wo mo de nantwie abegu ye forest m ye betu ase kwa me meetings ahodo makọ na bro 20 eso still anantwie na ho o muntimi for me sanka ba akokra asuda forba prison forba police forba forestry forba na nanom nyina front ma me ye kọ enso muntimi nko ho hwe and the press conference ahodo free man pani so I will gina simple so cast me the national cast say I will put my presidency no I was say sablen man pani resign hwe tuotutu ekoso obi kurom kwame etima mpani won hui last ministry no yi sector minister nankasa dan onhu ye
Sompa FM
kwame baby adru no me de me ni hwe ameka de wo say ka trema mpani ne say on resign yeah on resign betimi aboa na Ghana hu say asem na oka no di ne boshe so cause oteso say sia no asem de na no kan say wo de wo no ankasa na mamu no betimi akon atia sa de no afekura na ade ne koso kase em say wo de aduro bi akobo say wu kun wura na afekura ne wura no ese fefe kase wa poison Ghana na no asem na oka na ya a poison Ghana no
okay to say nka
on resign
okay thank you very much yako
seke me da sing the fight against Galamsey enye yewura kufo ado abreso na hya ase abra na yewura mahama wo ho no na ejinamu dendenden e ma sa abre no kra se wo ne me be kai a na o involve ya soldier for emma MPP for ene wo mu wo position no sa abre no mu wo position no ebi kasa tia no didi na tem wo be kai a be 2014 ho Galamsey kun ni mu yire ye no yenya civil society organizations then MPP in opposition emma catch ne say wa faili enti wonsi form so be kai a ensem bebre no ka ne kire kane mampani mahama efa Galamsey kun ya ho ensem a enne ye to wo ya sum sen nananu bi enim hu bi amanyofo bi enim hu bi posi mpanifo bi enim hu bi na ye de sobo brobro ye ho no sa bre wo ye mahama bre so ye sa te sa sem kro ya kwame me make reference to papa na bre so fi se nyo no na tia ban mu sa bre na me de atwenwa dwea ba be si masem ne tofa bose nobody can fight illegal mining in Ghana obi antumi enkuntia Galamsey kire se anintini ni atwotwo wuro bi no ma wo mede wo ho age sa agobone yi mu no wo betina banwa so na wo de wo presidency to line a na wo ankasa no ebia wo tie kire no na wo nimu se de ekoso yi mintumi nko na mmom sabi mpani se wode anuhunu edonwira ebi nwo wunti kwame ebra o mampani akufo betina banwa so no waka se obe fight Galamsey ti ho operation task force operation Vanguard hema soja ni kura bi famu ko wi wodanchiro boase 29 May 2017 no oka so wode ne presidency beto line pe na me de mensa hwe me but then na me wo me former station ba kunam say papa yasma walking ebe pass mama ne daachi o newsroom staff bi ka so da bi obetumi a fight nam so on to me fight kire se no obeti akonwa so one na wo fight na wo ne woman for ka kire se ni pakro ne se wo tietia Galamsey for fa ahodie so two o ma adehia wo ma emu esase sika kokko hye wo mo fom na wo mo te so na ekom de wo mo wa ohihia mu a na wo de wo ba wo be yansesa ye wo mu tie ne ye o
Sompa FM
wo be yansa kira ye wo mu na Galamsey no enye so mu tu asensu asensa ase na mom ebe ye se wo mu tu de na nso so no wo mo ye ne wo kwan pa so sansesa ye na wo ye wo mu no na small scale miners impo ma fa kwan pa so
yeah
enya wo mo license ko tena fie aboso meni fie almost afi ne akire kwame se yanyi amanyosem se o mayi mu amanyosem a ye mu bi fa ne dirty politics yanyi emfree national issue bi to say illegal mining fight ya me see ye ntumi fight Galamsey da not even Jesus Christ ebro mampanya ku fodo ma Ghana 40 sen abaya no wo fight Galamsey we ko adu MPP for so agu ni so no se ya na ato aso bedru nei se won so fight Galamsey a se de nsuo ye se sa na wia so be ye o kwame omayi mu se ye be koso de so bo abro ye hu se ya me se ye ntumi fight Galamsey ade ase se ye ne se ye is active politics partisan way na we na fight a ye nyina ye ntai na chi o enam se eye party
to see the person feel
yes eye party na wa ban mu de yen hwe so obetumi aya no faili se party faili na party B ba said ya wo ye ma me faili ye no me so me ya mo faili enti party B so betena banwa so na ofiti ase se ade a wo ye na ofi se ya de papa na wo bonsuo wo bonsase wo bokwa ye ho ban amada chinchirima party B betena so asenka the same adwempo na no so dey fight ya ka obeta na chi o na so ye dirty politics a awura ye munti no party B betena so a na party enkrofo na force so no so be di ntwo ono so be feli ono nso nsa besi fom ne aka se de ye feli ya na wote achi na wonni mu nti na wo kasa ti aye no se ya na nso betena so no onza wonso wa feli kwame omayi mu se de esi ye ne ma no ebre wampani betena so kan se
Sompa FM
galamse wo ka yenya media coalition against legal man so obeka ya yewra kana shigbe na pani ya na oda no kwahye me bisa me ho ye se me ba cho se ye si ya mini si ye fight ya eye wo eye me eye we ne ye kan ho abom si enya media coalition a ye be na emu ne ye hyemu a me pa cho ye benya politician coalition against galamse ye benya chiefs coalition against galamse ye benya DC's coalition against galamse ye benya religious leaders coalition against galamse ye nyabi because those are the individuals womu ye the big men a office wonu womu kokumi wa the commitment level was very low kwa ma obi a wo so wo kundi atia galamse na wankasa wo mfem pade ya chi ni video mu se wojeje galamse fosika me stand for correction besi ene brada no pain ka kire me se crash na announce e chi ni video mu a osusu se oje galafo sika no me pa cho odam me pa cho ya ne den ye shedante hwe eti so man ye fight galamse na wankasa wo mfefo bi untumi mfa mra ni wo mo na wo fi so betumi de mra de obi a wo de kwadu bebo obi a enye yi ebra ye wo mu yi niema aginsemu kire se obi atumi atwetuo DCE mu a eye odua wate bie mensuma te bie onabo ya danso ene nsem ekoso di adanse se ye bekoso ye blame game wo mayi mu a we are total failures yem fight galamse ne yem fight ne china se Ghana for best samamu 2024 NDC beba beba beto asa akun so say ya na beye se Ghana for ansesa mamu na ye say ya na beye yem fight galamse until see beja blame game ni tackle no with all hands on desk into sadia the yati hui there be discuss galamse ye be quote mra ye be quote article ye be di nkomo ye be frodike ye be say ya ye fight galamse with blame games
medase apoko galamse
kwa medase nyako na ayo ba e ka so bi ya ba shebone a na e kire sen
wa se me
no mi busa nyako yo ba o ye teacher ni abahye bone e kire sen sa akora ya ade na wo hunu se akora no ade na oye no enye na otimi tia akora no mani jade oye no na ompese obetia no no wo ya abahye bone na na de dan ko kufuado Ghana man panyini oye abahye bone papa
kwan be so
kwan ni nie kwame 19th December 2018 kwame so wo Vodafone opa Google ubenya 19th December 2018 sata no kwame na hwa na tie konya so FM anya na dan ko akufuado sata mo no na wo machi China for 9 ba ko de Delkin Hwan ba ko de Lu Kenshin ba ko de Lu Kin Hao ena Chin Kin Gao ya do am court judge your tenase no na your friend Justice Eko Baden tenase no sa nipa nan we na ya che wo mo no na Aisha 1 ka ho ma ne nipa num mabode tina kire maka judge ni dia kire friend Justice Eko Baden ana na odi asem no otenase a odi asem no ana Attorney General declare bi beto Justice Eko Baden anim your friend Nolly Prosecuy no a letter a free the Republic of Ghana a Attorney General whom the president appoint and instructs by the Constitution as to what the Attorney General should do and by the instruction of the 1992 Constitution and a letter beto Justice Eko Baden anim say Sa nipa 9 including Aisha 1. I read. The Republic says does not want to continue with the case proceeding with the case number CR 34-2017. Pacho say wutie me. Sana letter ne ekoye. And files Nolly Prosecuy
pursuant to Section 54, Act 30, 19 December 2018. Or say, let A1 here accused one, Gen Shin Hao, be discharged immediately, in spite of all accounts being accused of him. Let A2 accused 2, and also Professor 3, 4, 5, including Aisha 1, nolly prosecute. A Attorney General and outside, or the quiet judge be any who can, Nipo who can no a parliament. Ain't Aisha 1? Ye na aban no ka se oni hu as on person nolly prosecute say on pass them no huntie, including Aisha 1. Maka judge need Justice Echo Baden. That was December 19th, 2018. You can't sign a nolly prosecute as an attorney general without the consent of the president. And you see and deport woman. When you go to the Deportation Act, and also bachelor process is far, ube deport. The last person to sign deportation is the president. To say the last person to sign death penalty. And if death sentence the president no so and ohum. And to say another be catch and say he doesn't know say Aisha 1. So to you saw me muya. Kwame, my base on Nanado say Oyaba she boneno and near 1. And in Nanado ni mubi. Onim de akoso said this is what is going on. But sabe yo be kan okure e de akire Ghana for. Now a patcha aka say na minim se se na de ne tie. Na mo fa me bone ncheme no. Nanado ntimi nka. Kwame, if you go to the Minerals Commission Act, and sana be ma krata se kokotu mines no. Kwame, the Minerals Commission and a bema to me, the apex government agency or bema to me, the Minerals Commission. The Minerals Commission no and a bema krata no we are what the whole instructions at the amount. Kwame, Minerals Commission ma we are the minister. And no so gina to me no so. Na wo mo gina minister no so to me so. No the krata ma so gikokoy adwuma. So okay kind the Minerals and Mining Act 206 or say the minister may reserve a land for mining. The minister may by executive instrument declare land not being for subject of mineral to be reserved from becoming a subject of application for mineral right for mineral or all minerals. Kwame, so okay kind constitution now. Or say who owns mineral right? Send a papa the no. Or say, who owns mineral right in Ghana? According to the Minerals and Mining Act, the Minerals and Mining Act reiterates or stipulate that this position that minerals in their natural states are vested in the president in trust of the people of Ghana. And all mining companies are known to the president and advised to the president on mining on his technocrat and advisors. Kwame, this is what is in the law. In the Ghana, a Japadie bi a yasha siase no. Ese Ghana man panyine hu se ye tu gold wa ha, mines for ha, anglo gold wa ha, we wa ha onim. Enkrata no koto nanim tu onim nsase dodo, onim ayi dodo.
Se the onim na illegal.
Good, the onim na illegal. Enti na se ye legal mining e wo baabi. Na se illegal for so aba be frem. Na wonim se before ansa na illegal be ba no. Na ya mawo eye lances akokoye na nkrofo na kwakwochem eye illegal galamse meboa. Kwame, when you go to the Minerals Commissioner, and sana be ma krata se kokoye no, you were 2 licenses. Kwame, your license be okay. Your license be a friend of prospecting license. Kwame, prospecting license ni say, you dey license ni e dey amount say, ko eye a friend is entachere. Na kokohwe hu ni say, asase weni e dey e da ho. Uwia no ba bo minister na man dey say makwa hu asase we makwa hu we now the hun krata asem ene usika betu anyina aye no me de komra hye bedwam no magye atum na fo me de krata na efre no eye digging lances ne e dey amount kwa me ma digging lances ni wia forestry commission for e will role to play in mining mu kwa me we forestry commission for free ho a ye wo regulations a wo me de miners no kwa me ye wo support service regulation. Your mineral mining compensation resettlement regulation.
Okay.
Kwame, your license regulation. There were explosive regulations. Kwame the emi ya any sa regulation way. There were regulation boy friend no health and safety regulations. And there were ground rent regulations. There were tracking of earth and mining regulations and equipment. There were local content and local participation regulations. Kwame there were board at the Masankrofu way nyina. Kwame ayi bi na mutu ayi galamse ne friend is ayi machine kakrakande say. Excavator. Kwame, excavator, a mobile money, a matches boss. I'll bet me the show to my forest him. Abra forest commission for him. What are you talking about?
All right, Madam Senator Poku PSA. Thank you very much. Honorable Prekulate Atanasi. You'd be realm during the line. Yeah, question. But my main culture say messages in Biabosi. Good morning. I don't know why. You are shifting the blame to traditional leaders. If Galamsey will stop, it will depend on central government decision. Otumfuo spoke well the last time from Major General. He stated in the 92 Constitution that all lands in Ghana belongs to Nananom, but the natural resources, it belongs to the state. So if our water bodies and lands keeps on destroying, Seke, I ask you, who should I blame? All right, okay. Honorable Prekulate Atanase, mamenye we quick na memra na yang fan komono enhyehyɛ so.
Momwa me mamentwa Wahab Active C capsules pruse na wa Jimmy.
Ampo Wahab Active C capsules. Aboye nyina apom de pa. Na Wahab garlic capsules kura de mentwa ne pruse keke. Bi tu chema na nkasa.
Wahab Active C capsules. Amma metin kasa ma ho de asipi. Menyare basa basa bium. Esan prekese moringa ene cinnamon no ewuwo wo mu. Na yenim se nubna yi soso mfaso nti. Menye gya me ho. Na aboa me.
Se immune support papa say Wahab Active C ewo hoi. Ni mabusu afo so apom di hu hiame. De bia ye de bewe yen ho.
Ampo emreyo etumi no eboa general well-being so. Enti yen twama yare amagi ni peduane mo so.
Wahab garlic capsules so aboa amemoje di mu afurisane yi.
Wa Jimmy Herbal Center. Ye damwase ene Active C ene Wahab garlic capsules a modi aba beboa yen. Ewo pharmacy ene chemical stores.
Apemfo abato mo manufo no kwada wo ni tuedum bienu nka ho.
Etufo ko wa Jimmy Herbal Center. Anafre 0244 76 8154 0244 76 8154.
FDA Akye Abia nkrato yatum.
When you listen to this song, you go love Eugene.
Hello, Wafa. I feel the menya bow. Na ye niema mienu. Me dia brofa beba o. Ene wase no. Na sunya hono ye benya baby a. Ushmi tim kwa na ye bewi o.
Why? Uremu nam apese apra kankani sia abuhacha. Ha kofi kirani urona. Uremu nam ajosuo.
Wafa, sunya man. Woni problem bia. Usi krom ha. Sa unim nanahima. Unim sunya hima fie ho pe. Ana busa dropping direct opposite. Aye, Sambanet abro sign. So ba yira eben je wa nyamiche enterprise. Busa se ehifa na omoton remunam no. Ye fro ho Ronald Meat. Remunam adwosuo. Apese apra akrantie. Kusie. Remunam bia wo pe no. Ebi e wo ho. Sum bia wo mu nso no. Obenya ne fridge a enfrafra. Eye wholesale any retail. Enti mu amutu biton. For ni che Ronald Meat. Remunam adwosuo. Afi sa wo pe voter catch. Fresh fish tilapia ebi wo ho. Sawa hu location no na wanyera. It's dropping direct opposite obi abetro. Afei oye door to door delivery 02082719986 and 02495765557 and 05922111110.
Bobo, them they wish I go suffer but you will not do me so.
Amamraya tutunasio. Enadie, sa wo bakwa adwabo ase a, na wo kwa yi ase nso a, wo hia ntoma pa ne nema bia wo de fa wo ho a, wo pia adwabo na ase a, eni nyina behwe wo. Se oyo ohene, ana obrempon dia, ani ofufu ate atonkwan mu. Sa Rail Shopping Center, aya bia na nkan na bo na hafo na onim ne na edikan ewo nema a ahemfudi sisi omo ho no. Eho asam na meken. Ejise yesi wo hene, ana oyo ohene bi, na o pa nema ebetim de sisi wo ho. Efri wo suru kwasi wo na ase a, bra. Sa wo pa agudi a yedigu yensa, yede hye yensa, ana na yedigu ye komu ne nase nyina no ye obebregu wa eye papa se wo pa hemfo ana hema mu kente a ye de kwa adwaba bi ase ana wo kwa yi ase nso a ana ya to nsa afro baabi na wo hia ntoma betimi de akwa brane ma obi ye wa pakan asesedwa ana sa hemfo chini ye enketo ne akese nyina ana sa wo pa akofuna nso so a ye wo bi wo ho se wo pa anwene de ana nkai de nso so a ye wo bi wo ho esanse ye dwen wo ho ene wa adwaba a wo be yenti yensan ade ensan wo do bia nso so abia ni shop a eye separate a wo be du ho a ye be ma wo alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages nyina se wo pe cosmetic product bia ana emo any other food items bia na o hia bra Sarel Shopping Center ye betimi amobi Sarel Shopping Center e wo Sunware area 1 ekwan kase na Nam Sweet Touch restaurant animu ho no Mosaic Pharmacy direct opposite Hallelujah Hair Depot flyer was 035 202 4251 and 024 435 4989 Sarel Shopping Center say there wo de ni jani ahoto so e bra brempon ene ahemfo e wo niam pa wo de abadwa so.
All right, that is Sompa 98.9 Rambo Prekulate, a former district chief executive of Tano North, Sansodoye communications officer, our Afro region, and pay what join here. And a person and one ding because a good morning herba Mr. Manachi. Because such extra so mudie, hahama, good morning extras. Oh, usisi na yo ya honam na yo ya menstrual pain, and awenya gonorrhea babaso. Obama intimi sorry dysfunction, erectile dysfunction, prostrate, malaria na benya, ulcer, and I say utita ya tobia na uti yo ya, o blood pressure no enya kra. Mr. Uhia, Dr. 3 days. Ni good morning herba Mr. Abi. Obenya bi o cap herba, obenya bi o green light pharmacy, Mosaic pharmacy, Homestar herba. Obetuma from was 0246 594 117 0246 594-117. Honorable Marchain. Na empombo kodie. Good. Yeah, the body I say. Anapa ye di komo na basically ni nyina aye ye nkwaye yensu ane galamsey. Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. Abujina po I can say. So ora ahemfo no kan pa. Na ma adwuma no. Aye den galamsey tuo no. Na anope ye hwe no sanso ana other topics is basically na nkomo aye di ni nyina efa ye yemfu yenkwaye eho arabo
ya sake didi kama menshia na menshia watifo ase be fene menshia
where
minister
I
don't know say fene menshia
I mean diazie
na wase ahemfo no ka ho dia so say fene menshia ogu ahemfo ni ma se
na information gwalo buti
oh so you know it's just a guy say because Ashanti region Ashanti for hero chief say what Ashanti region they also a friend mention enye bia no dike kan ya friend mention
so odike di dru baby no so say umbetin tesu kokko na to say we guys umbetin tesu kokko
ani bresem ye kaso umbetin tesu kokko na say edru ani bresem ana say edru ani bresem.
Of course, a coin is a dream.
Good. And you do any business will be between Tescoco. Now, I am one say or no Ginapono or say I am for. When was she I am for?
Yeah.
I want no more a coyano by a quite for city evacuate your garden. Say now, Trek Cassa the Como Tum for say already a war trend so. More fun for baby, and more Cassa politicians come.
So it's later yes and yes tumfu anka se waka se monka se politicians kan
oh tell oh saki onim de no tumfu de die na no so tumfu ka be ha no onim so tumfu ka se garam se na yetu no ahemfu no bia compromise ya na be ha no de be na anka won kan ne endidi e kasa na no so tumfu e be kan ti o so mo wonka to ba ka so na ban e complicit. Oh God, I'm saying him.
I said you work under that say you need man some obekenti. What do you mean you need man some?
I saw my near dance. They try every year they dance you. I saw my near dance. They try every year they dance. I won't say. They be a make us ask me. Now I assemble quite near me. The first person I be free the honor. His Excellency the late fried
Lieutenant
General Royce ɔsɛ sɛ wosi fie na wofie wura no to na akɔfa ɔkyeman sɛ ɔmɛhwɛ fie na akrɔmfo ewia na ɔkyeman no ba na ohun sɛ saa nyɛma na yɛwia wo fie hɔ no ɛnyɛ obi ana wie o efie wura na wia hold two options ide ato betra no agina katua ana sɛ open integrity obe resign ebi ne atumi sisi party here sika no abugina ponte 500 excavators ya na na poku ka no ha sɛ nye mobile phone ya de ahye botum ɛho asɛm asise nanu ya nura ya akonta yesi woni concession nti tim sɛ adwuma na wɔyɛ no hɔ ɔmotututu sɛ de yɛwɔ no Ukraine no ɛyɛ garamsi
but akonta wɔ license
baabi a ɔso ɔmo ko ho tɔkɔ no ni mining permit hɔ and where hefa no ɔkɔpɛ ɔmo ɔmo di sa abɔne no I have original minister of Sankore for the first time in the history of you took garamsi of Sankore. I have original minister of Sankore for the first time you took them to Sankore. One you go with them. And the mom when you're more, and a Marco Nene, so good genus to Tiffy, and who soon and no business as now for. It was a one who is soon. Yen him say, Garamse activities are a cost for Ghana, yen condemn, mobile no matter take over. Eddie mom cronies. And then the two. Nakere Jaboka said, Nana B2 Garamsi. He's not a national organizer of the party. What has happened to him?
The name it to Anamika say, Honorable Proculati to Galamsia. Then what should happen to you?
When you ought to now cast Honorable Proculati, let me tell you the position of Kennedy Japan in MPP and in governance. So him said, I mean, we're a member of parliament. And a key and a leading member of the party in power. So can we brush National Kano just like that? If you're not a cracker, and get your counter claims as well, Kano, no Caribbean. And it's an open secret. So the MPP party functionalism. They are into Garamse, they are into illegal, chainsaw, operations. Brown for our winning.
And I said, we can send this for no idea pop up in illegal mining. Mining. Oh, I can mention numbers of them.
Bubobidin. Now the power NDC Abayam. So when Ghana for F3 will be say, oh, my account to Ghanaians and it's still worship one. And NDC a former minister and as a former president, no.
But say devoid of political.
Devoid of political. Now would you everything before saying yeah now the more party for the year, how do we fight it? Now no be no can say and I just want na neighbor to and the Garamse fight na mom lose mining areas no. Papa Bola. You Garamse fight no mom lose those areas.
Yeah, I think.
Because the people realize, I didn't see any team before say yes, no more expect to say, Oba, Ubitrim. But Oba, no pam dipone go on the party for Ababi go. And then Mbufuye. The new Galamse, yes, no. Or more Motiwa Galamse, no, that environment in Galamse, no direct effect on them now. Oba ya obe pam o mom ye Galamse o ho na onim se mo be pam o mom ho ato ma wo kofa wo party fo mom be gu ho no ebe ye westerns no ene mo bufu ye na no tum fo kan sa asem we oso man panyin kan se odena mam ena no ni tumidie as president no oba put it online now aye west, that's the word he used, aye west. So why is he sitting there? Mami nipa ba ko wa ban mu ya chene Galamse ya prosecutor. What? Charles BC was caught on tape. What has happened to him?
I said, when him say Charles BCU issue was investigated.
What, by who?
Those government setting people that you should investigate.
That people who
I'm just say government set up a committee. The number the people.
What was the name of the committee?
And him the letter that came up, Aman Becker said he has been vindicated.
By who committee? Yet Hana Minister Tre Command was any deputy minister Piles. Afeki a man for portfolios. I have visa connection was a opportunity as a general as a Australia. Now a fakey as a bribe. I amount for Aquabuchi. On my pennies was to committee I know as I didn't return. A business committee needing. And you be a nipa Quabuchi. And then your pound a 1 a year. The papa Saman a bay. And I remember Saman a bay. And some of these things we do see as also committee bay. You call an ass, say Tiwado. And was evidence they will be an or they come special prosecutor. And he doesn't trust Tiwado. At that same time, Tiwado A plus a conversation say A plus can you maybe go about any mass. No money in our party, my A plus a can summer a go about any mass. So Anas never trusted Tiwado, so bit my essay, don't come as special prosecutor. And quickly you came out, sir, you don't have any evidence. Now, video editor. What happened to Frempom Watson? Party in Jessica. What happened to did see here? What was Papa when I now say? Or say or man? One in the bush and one in the party will be or my friend when she or man almost say or man. No almost Sagana Japan in a goom bootum. No chin be in a woman found because be or Jessica drew ready. Waiting in the bush and for any man in after Akatana Bridge. Period. And the Omon unit Timam form. And that's the state here, you see. Garam say Nanyan Row. And then yet, but now you drew your baby, a garam say, you drew a baby as you saw it in a say a congaram sino. And the time cry a cassa young corn, ye Jan is an anke. Time my cassa young congaram sino, ye Jan man out that manke. And the people are afraid because and painful na e o garam say they are so powerful say obi akwa usuru and this is the state here and the mayor nwanwa no chief is above the law in Ghana here. So who chief is making the garam say fight difficult? Why is the chief not brought to book? So don't come and tell me, say, and him for an garam say, yeah, some chiefs might be complicit in the garam say issue. Some politicians in government are more complicit than the chiefs he's talking about. Why is he talking about, or he's not talking about that? And here can original chairman. We all watched the video. And they were shooting as if, say, you were in Ukraine. Anya bia nano ai Burkina ai kunu ko musio ko manu tutu say ku esi Burkina na man tutu say just to scare the people around. So would these people or the chief at that community no have the guard to complain?
Does that chiefs na be conference press conference?
And one do they have gun? Apart from the press conference or Beka or Kasa or two bit more face. Have you heard say arrest be? Yeah, arrest be. What? Bisi what say arrest be? Do some ko bisa man. O san bebre mu hwan. Why not be press conference na bebre mu no? And when you have a bunch of nyachum people, hypocrites.
Nyachum in what sense?
Hypocrite. You are doing it and you turn around and say so be here. And when it become clear say or functionally has been exposed to her, then you find ways and means to cover that person up.
I know more exposing now. You think so?
And never been a bad and I make us can a Japan better than two or say a nana be to get them say. Or one boy. Committee be invited now, and I say, why you inviting him in Ukraine? It been an annual you see. What is the effect arrest? Party in Jessica. What TV? Adeɛ na asi.
Okay. Honorable Medase. Mesa bana yebehwe state of emergency on illegal mining no. Gabi Mache.
Chage me Joso.
Nempomwe.
Nyame adom.
Galamsey ho enkomo yedi from what minister said. Minister for Lands and Natural Resource Wasaba Bonteka say yen share issue devoid of politics and all that. I feel him for no so me involved no so okasache umu bra okushia him for.
Yeah, that's okay. Menchia Sompa TV and FM Ejuma for morning show host Tony Okriu. Menchia me party penny for regional minister Madam Obana Hene Justina. Menchia MPC me honorable Kusami Acheme, honorable Ignatius Bafowa, MPs honorable Kusibodum, honorable Evans Evans Kusibodum na honorable Nsukumi. Menchia regional chairman Kwame Bafowa Abronya DC, regional executive Sake Kawanya communication team. Callers in radio and TV panel, Yamacho Bibia, no be out in Nanope. Galamsey issue, no, you see, men I term Babia Babidrunes. The chickens have come home to roost. Yes. You see, I thought I cried, I say, NDC phobia, because I said, me panel member, because I am, you know, because I think Enra was it Enra on this channel. Make I say, for the first time in Ghana's history, yen say Galamsey na a problem de mai. But even Kranana there were no clear-cut rules. And amra a basa jumadi, you know, a criminalizer no. Ye buy any ababemra to criminalize it. Na ye buy no. Na yen baby Galamsey na ayakwa kudu yensuo ye no buy ye mfudie ye nsase said ani esi futu ani a ye pe foma gudie ne honema with impunity obi ultimate sim Galamsey asama okano. Yes, I was say and not because say a national fight, and we must do it devoid of politics. But there's a political element in there that has to be named and shamed, and understood now. Say in both parties, because I won't be a hypocrite and say me nim and as a maintain say a CMPP for B2B. But admittedly, NDC Juma di so mudi you know ebwa Galamsey the course. Baba Jamaa mo no to Galamsey. Kwakubo ai mo to. Broje jamfimu nyina they way into Galamsey. I'm not saying it's an engine run and a what I say, but so want to me I'm not the courage to name them and then no courage, you know. I mean it's out of bad faith. But let's grant it. Now be cry former president. Otimiko dina simpi so campaign platform catch a man for say or my actual muso mutu galam say baby jamu because of no more. These are statements that we heard in this country. Yafa non tonchen. And I talked about measures I was a team putting in place near the two Galamsey say. Say your bot robo attitude. Me passem surasem. Nyachom any hypocrisy na. Ya wo as Ghanaians and the Ababidrune. Ya buy no. Ya yen so operation Vanguard ne one more makaning in an omunting one things na Galamsey no. By hook or crook yen stop for yen to us here. Me no me no say ye didn't want dance here. Ye who say yen sure any shall say. Ye who say none near my sass here done. Niche be. And yes, I say I na operation Vanguard Jumadi Omudi Omosias Gaveta. They said it. Everybody said it. And operation Vanguard no Mosi Gaveta. No me ba osha momre numa. Osha momre numa. Emrano emo mutu me say and no me kan say these big equipments no I'm saying excavator no. Omun driving on the forest room. Omun taking piece by piece of acquisition in the forest. So there's no more trouble road out to me no watching excavator na dia babonte and then anything amrana sha almost say if you find some of these machines operating in the middle of the forest burn it and as make it incapable muntutu part your machine etimi nya aduma part rututu a economic so you burn it. Those ones that are in the forest that cannot be brought there nearby or vicinity of Ben Chrome no munchini nyina famra ya de ba ye hun sensem an amount for the amount for be the amount for livelihood and nipa ni di bone obi say obi pen or dey Galamsey me so me pe Sompa FM mu TV esi he me kwa metamako ene munya me enti ye no na ye shas ye fight no the way na team no omusi wo vem omusi ye adwuma omo clamp down on these guys and na make I said yeah Galamsey fight mu bra say about 70% of already na sika free Galamsey no enya Ghana for na eba foreign so na say your operation no kwachi omo kwa one pit amna baako omo chi nipa 164 out of 164 nipa na 123 are foreigners. Now seke Uganda obetwa kwa Nigeria kutu galamsey. Obetwa kwa Ivory Coast and Burkina Faso kutu galamsey. But they are here doing it. Ye choma na semrano no mudi because semrano ma ye security agencies in United say if you are recalcitrant against lawful arrest, they should deal with you to the obi be semrano mo mokwan bi. Almost as somebody say yeah ye better na babesu na manfo be didi na be den and am galamsey no this guy koto ni ejai o mo relax ye super operation team na no mo jai and na hwede asi. And we are still here. And the news items now are awash with people calling on the government, calling on the president. See if a nice form. I didn't nice form, and then people can say oppression, the human face. And on the end, the solution to the Galamsey issue, whether say NDC phone a two, say whether MPP phone a two, say whether Nigeria phone a two, whether Ghana phone a two, and say let the operation team work according to rules of engagement.
If they find stop the operations of the team, then I'll stop it that operation of the team. No, my bachelor say your constant news items, your constant kasa on Ghana. Oh, and yahe. Oh, and Sadian Ekoso. What I say? Yenina Yehui. Teams, Joy News, TV3, all these others went to sites. And now river bodies are now affected by Galamsey. After no Suono, Anite, River Cobra, River Pra, all these river turn on me and Yamewa. They went there, you saw it to a media person. I know so many at it. And then Jumadi and Asapajan, Amana Home Susana. It is because of Nyachum. It is because of Yahe, Mofanche, oh, Muha Mumbo. That is what we need. So I'm saying, say a per se two Galamsey fight, Nasia. Eh? What if ye? Obisa Fogufi. And now, Sherebenia Bowra ho. Ye penakuna bim so I say oni baby adan na bia wawura antimunya no obewemo. So let everybody play their part and let's fight these people because I'm saying say Galamsey no ye no nye ye behunu effect o. Enye ne behunu effect o. Ye manum because even cry effects na de ye behunu bi in the next 5 years. Your water bodies no ebe so polluted say sika twetwere die wo se Ghana water company edi treating insure man ye potable me no bi no insure bo obedin. Enuane ebedu baby ahwe abayire kra no abo from mankani no na abo from you can't eat it because it is so chemically contaminated. You cannot eat it. Enu amankan story bi anchero ha say Galamsey boys no they travel to Accra Shoprite ne they aka no kototo carrots and omo no omo tu Galamsey kro no omo tim no me mo kro bi din baby akro no omo tu no because of omo chemicals omo dey employ to get the gold ni no omo nim say enyema Fudiane no buy a wokrum on any mom. Say they go to Accra to buy. Say, me no, you better Kumasa Kotoka Beach. You better go Kumasa Kotoka carrot. So I'm saying that it is high time, say a lot of the Casano. Me, my brand Casano about people are also calling for the head of president. So
and on every it's a persistent year. John Dramani Mahama time, the Galamsey was there. Did he resign his presidency? President Tamel's time there or President Kufuor time there. The woman said, why not in your paper? And it's a president who has done that. But now what's your supporting it to the friends and most logical conclusion? You do baby near so any at the end of cry so at the end of Tenek Crentian, Mungum Kakra, Operation Galamsey excavator motion and you bet me a baby ma assembly and you bet me the back. Yen can be. Now not ready I see. So I'm saying, say, young for Sadian and let's attack the problem. I'm saying, you to me to us 100%. Me, that's what I think. But you bet me, I take you to the barest minimum. Say, young suonum near in a benya a quine ahome. Young suon bessia tinibium. Young suon any bessia tibium. And that's what we need to do. Because if you don't do that, say, okay, in the next couple of years, we may be importing water, we may be importing foodstuffs, we may be importing every other thing. And these people are living large on us. Dear Yakra no crime and say, Emu sikatuturi di film na magana for. It goes to foreigners. And I read a similar story. Na metie na mekachere wa. Baby a mutu Galamsey Eastern region ho baby. A mutu no. Ghana for no corporate num no ba no. There is this Nigerian campaigner ono na woska oti abonten oti apatabia sinti boys ba. They sell their gold to him. Now they say betu Galamsey no go Ghana ko Ghana for her. What is all this?
All right, man, I say Gabby. All right, pressure group business occupy Ghana say you declare no state of emergency on the fight of Galamsey. You drew Sabia.
Yeah, Bruce. It's okay. Let me before some about my Samson. say a month for Casasa, human faith, and Tina Diagram say Kono. And President shall say for presidential jet or I am on for Casa Wajafa. How many people have talked about a national cathedral Wajai? None one time, you know, obeying at all costs.
The national cathedral,
there you are making obeying at all costs. And what about Garam say a yet threat to whom human assistance? No, what's your man for Casanti Majai? Because one hour. Let me put on record say Obi Obeka just any nimbra for Garam say yes and be an angel. Are you a friend illegal? Are you illegal in Emreno? What place is illegal?
Sompa FM.
During my era. Kofu Besne Kwadongo, Yakwachom, they were sentenced 2 years in prison. Oh, do you and magistrate court? The Emreno and Gadomutum. They were lost. The only thing you can say, you modify laws. We better catch them. Maybe a term before, so we call Wakakutu mind, overcall Akutu mind. We have permit. And I feel near there, but we have permit.
It could be said the general laws. But sometimes you have to modify to suit.
The system is not static.
Yeah.
And some countries have taken away that death sentence. So day in, day out. But don't tell me, say, just a baby, no kunipa of our even any constitutional rules crown. No kunipana and traditional kwam or dom faso. So there were laws it depended co prison. If there were no laws on Kobe and Mania prison, there were laws.
Some two
Asama President Kayano on premises. Some me a gun and me nature and near Kutuni at China and the 2 months faso, so I may out them to medium faso benos. Whilst you go to China, Ukutu a year, Ukoya only indigents, Koya Bonia. Or no come 5 years, I will foreign overcome 10 years. Then you come to Ghana. When foreigner could say I come to the same class 1 year to my near Ghana Manako. And pardon somebody doesn't mean I don't know. And Mama never says the people were talking and say, so Munina Quacoya Bonnet, near true Munina, so I dare not in my meaning the identity near Jaho on the Sonko. If the men in Nudia, I hope one in Nudia, to my money don't you know. Dear, you can say, wouldn't mean for excavate and free forest, and it's never true. There were no access through excavate and a laptop in what to pass.
But if you almost some bono,
only find a coin. Only look at the coin and ask to pass, no good come and almost why. Ask yourself. Who bet much why excavate a time? So the mere some quiet or more quiet some bone say they didn't want the people to see say excavator so this more this assemble no do no man but that means there's no access to the bit marco pass only be good pick up only be good cars I can see now even if pick up with for our excavator and for woman and let's look at them say excavators no now back then you put the sending a so no the alcohol yeah, I'm fine to come near the call. And also bit my trip. Now the royal so.
The Bia purchases a check such machine. Person be disassemble na sana naba because of cost involved and all that. The man allow me say yen excavator.
The issue say, o catch them say, ubetimi dia ba. Omo ye ho adwuma no, omo de cars ne ko ho. Nti there's access rule. Never kwan pick up a fast excavator and fast. Maybe so. A choir pick up a fast excavator and the fast. So what people were saying is that nobody asks about so young Garam say Kuno. As some no more can say machines no say bit me the amount to assembly ground on the air. And the interest of course our no Fabra. Later on some of them gave very nice excuse. I personally in some time I got somewhere convinced that they were using system to system very difficult for you to move the machine.
Yeah.
On that score, I agree. But nobody asked about so young. What is the Amana Kwabaya say? The government itself, it high-powered people involved. And I'm not difficult. We should not be thinking.
Going forward,
we should not be thinking. Say, Garam say effect. No, even in the next 5 years, we are having it today. What was one of the reasons Ghana got a company? You see, I'm somewhere at Tunsubo. So the cost of treatment of the water has become so high. Let me also come in with as more can say, or more to get them they travel to Accra to go and buy a carrot. And they think they are deceiving me. A great real carrot. The Indian Eastern region now as and I know the packing who came to
malls more importation.
But yes, something like carrot. Because of the perishable nature of they will not import too much of a carrot. When a brave just say why I didn't. So what is it? The lifespan of them of these products, and yes, on bit my import to. So when they have access to them or look at some of these fruit those like apples and other things, they assassinate you have a carrot and it's always says all the mercury SN and cyanide SN and also got to no one baby edru no baby who see jama abana kasa complicit said the media for mujijinem we have to go back to that same level. Because I watched some videos yesterday. I said, wow. If we don't take care, the long-term effect, it's a short-term effect, you shall see you. Because when you go to those areas now, and most of them are deformed.
Yeah.
And the effect, after the long-term effect, is a time will come. We will be compared to say important issue. Near say be import to so the betun so say the top petrol.
But that's it. Gabby, your state of decline this as emergency.
What be putting me in the wrong context. I spoke about omo intimi and our money the willingness of mobile omo me galamsey so omo be patronize products produced in that environment baby carrots and carrots now afraid if we Ghana it's not, it's imported and no wasam na America. Of course minim see bia carrots baby o come college ma obenya you call Kumasi asafu joma na santasi ni obenya bi. But I was talking about more purchasing power no nim say nsase na o say na it could be say carrot obehunu baby akwa bi afi e ho na de aba. You would rather go for the imported one. That's what I meant. Now come Malcolm na carrots na o no me say the musical room Malcolm carrot musical room Malcolm mushroom and now whatever to green peas. Inti no wasam na make. But you see, then again I hate it. Said the Galamsey fight on where I can see a section now. I know a lot of people in the NDC. Kwakuba Kwakabi. Even NDC people have said say their own people were doing it just like it's happening now. And I make us say once yebema enona aye a major theme no yebe lose the fight. Oh NDP for need to come TV. Oh NDC for need to come TV. Enono is the wrong premise on which enoni tin agalam say yentimi make inroads e was make up to now. I'm saying say massa say we nipa tietia na etu nipa tintin na etu nipa tuntum nipa koko obi aye nipa massa, let's attack them. That's what I'm talking about. Because if we don't take that approach now, and you see, Occupy Ghana is talking about declaring a state of emergency or whatever. I think, say, state of emergency, what it means. Yeah. I think, say, maybe in the most affected areas, reinforce the military and the police and the security detachment in the area more. And the mandate should be simple. Master, destroy these things by all means. Because, okay, say, about 2 weeks ago, Namewa Accra, Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources here, AEB press conference been a call. Share certain areas, fly aerial drones. Now we said the CIA assassin as again. Do you know, say Ghana since up to 1992, now Ghana were about 1.78 million hectares of vegetative cover, and they hectare I want say okay, and 150,000. Yanam wana ehu say enuya kusu na wonam na enuya na esa o enuya no so na maye homi o enuya no na ni roots ne de aka na nyame a oba de say eno na so ne yansuo so maye. And that's what we are talking about. And to me there, I always don't find it comfortable with anybody or person who give at the end of the political color. Of course, admittedly, there's politics in it. But see, a man only the major team say no ninja be away for na ya na away for na ya, we won't be able to, you know, obi be disregard any money and let's attack it for what it is. It is a crime. It is a crime. Unim say ufie kura wote no. Wasase a wato a freelance commission. LC say china bi ekobasi wahu agudia bi anasa natural resource bi wasase no so. It ceases to be yours. Because yamra na say asase no surface no. Grass na e wo so no. And no bunch now they say from no order na wasi na ya odia. The what assassin as bia it belongs to the state. What I say? So why is it say yeah allow man for more this you know friends 2 million akakabe some no be so mo say no mo this with impunity. Hwe dey see wa chima gogo say whatever area ho. Abra the security team that was deployed no. Share some of these boys or money hot exchange daylight. It is a movie. Is this what we want? Galam say for we may be breeding because omono enye adwuma keke no mu. These are people especially let me allow me to use this word on your because obi odi boni bia ye man ko criminal mewa.
Of course.
And how them can say alleged criminal, how them can say because court in these criminals na ye breed omono. Eno na kwam se fa kan e kan wan yan hwe ya. We are breeding people omono so because a minor to omo so sanity no. Other people may come from outside. Within and without because any amamo china no omada no mo atu atedom ye betu aban ye baba ye it said you for the sanko ye was Sierra Leone bottom no ono one part of Sierra Leone na rich in oil no or say me declare me whole president or me na me manfo. Is that what we want as a nation?
All right.
And until America is okay, no political color, no consideration for any person. Let's attack these people. The omo is criminal and yamrano as a variety of criminal act. Until attack your mind, then you have to sagal. I'm saying, if we don't,
Gabi, thank you.
If we don't, we may be laughing at the wrong side of our mouth.
0543 9999 0247 9999. Hello, good morning.
Seke.
Yes, sir.
Seke ben kulina kaze.
Ben mami tiano pay.
Seke mami chama na pai. Nincha NDC college. Nincha branch executive na nincha coordinators. Adjacent eba as chairman Sunyani Naomi organizer. Who do name Mohammed ne Africa no. Michio Muna any other executives no. Seke. Yan kan kwenche na na do vai no so be ku atuma no but the business the time dey na go gabi ka say ni say your mama so no ba obi jai galam say for match o no your mama say abrofu na mo jam mo ko free no so ba adi for match o no obi jam and the body na dey am I yes and it o mo cha abrofu no mo do ku o mo from o mo deport o mo go do ku o mo dey mu pana and the business should be yan here they see or eastern region between California until gabi no ayo and in one kind of crunch na mado galam say na should be simply because ministers mo DC for in adu mo aji and na galam say no kuna ide no medase.
Hello, good morning.
Seke, good morning. I come to say
Jami Adum Sule.
Seke mamembo abato na menka che suma mo de small mine delito. I mean, chair me communication director. Very mature. In fact, and I probably will say yes. There is difference between MPP and NDC. I mean, chair me papa proculative. Yaka Nina say Galam City. Said a mere communication director. When it becomes crime, or much is it chroma who with a party card? Obviously, deportation. Let us not be ground with deportation. Obia for America, Ghana, Akodi someone they are deporting Abaya. Now, a former president, because of ABI election, who pension, what's one deep one in terms of balance? Over no, not for football, who number. Catch you, what's a move, got to a balance, all the Galante areas, and the tree. And to second man, penny fight here. And no man penya for 2 boats. Baku fight. Yedi patrol go to. You said na yebe naku. Walk through political party na wine who can. Never to not radio so yes, everything says that. Or this is just speaking. And to say me a proculator now we are you know. So because some to a young person there na kwen. You see, all these things, you know, we shouldn't become a regular and talk about it.
May I say? Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Oh, too bad. How could I? Hello, good morning.
Second, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Mediani, African president.
Africa, I'm in Germany.
Mamintia, the communication director, Afaporigin, Apregulate Mitia, Namintia, any bank architect. Namintia, over the executive Nina, Egina Kunu, the Gide Senami, Domain Kudim, Namintia and the okay. That be say, Abambia Baba 2 Garamsi. The Nanado, Abana, so be over Kunti Garamsi. I don't know. Yeah, I of because of 1 month, Garamsi. Nanado, I step on the point now, but say, the 1 month, or the Napu Ganaya then, about 2 walk. Abambia, or can't have me check on the pool. That's okay. Garamsi over Kaya, 2015. My patient don't demand my money for Chebi. Okohunkwaya for to get them say. I'm Okawa some carte, but I'm not couldn't get them say. Headquarters. I'm an MPP for the force from a campaign because what you matter. I'm welcome open the year.
May I say? Hello, good morning. Yes, my boss.
Number what is that?
Namiadumo.
Oh, and then Yamiasi. Uni Adoma Penny.
Don't, my Michiana pay.
Hey, I say on catch it. Nah, Mamintia. Mentia. Mr. Rashid Kolambek. Mr. Jeffrey Bruby Quating. Joe Mamintiano. Now, I'm saying this is for ever coalition so. Maybe I've been Kurvi. So as a very fantastic man. And he quite so made a Umuyin Bukura. Say I gave that to so Aram boy, bra. Omi a very fantastic because Udru Babia, Omuninja, we MP Pinuia, said almost near the Abrosic panel. To say yes, commitment, you know, the end is for more Yani Eastin, Omu and Omua, Uncle Fuimu, no matter the Omedio Mukud and did ever bomb. Now, make cheer or be beer because me bra, me baby cheer.
That's it. Odo die iraachia me da se pa don. All right, that's a Sompa 88.9 Adea Akye Abia ote da poko piesie nka anyakwa bron mo cha minimo afei honorable prekulate and